So guys, you want to create this type of website that you can see on the screen here. You just need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. I will show you how you can create this website in a very simple way, and I will.
Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your website from start to the end. So I'm going to show you how you can create your website from beginning to the end. So you need to watch this video so that you will learn how you can create your business website, or if you want to create kind of business website, you want to blog online, you want to create those type of website that you want to be using to blog about the content you are writing or anything at all. You need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So I will show you step by step how you can create your own website for free without coding. Even if you don't know how to code, you don't know anything about designing or website creation, you just need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I will show you step by step how you can do it in just drag and drop. What I mean, drag and drop step by step guide. So you will learn how you can do this in a very simple way. All I just want from you is to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is only what I want from you. And if you have any question, all you just need to do for me is to leave me a comment in the comment section below, so that I will be able to help you out in what you are passing through by creating your own website. So I'm going to take you to my computer right now and show you step by step on how you can create your own website. What I say again from the beginning, you will be able to create your website for free. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So watch the video from the beginning to the end and learn something, and go and start creating your own website and build your business and make your business to come online. So you cannot do it offline again, but now your business will be online. So let us head over to my computer now, and I will show you step by step how it works.
So what you need to do, the first thing is to click the first link below this video. So you will click on that first link. So when you click on that first link, if I click this link now, it will take me to where we are going to get our hosting and domain. So to create your website, you need a hosting and you need a domain. So that is what you need to be able to create your own website. So once you click on it, it will take you to this blog that you can see on the screen. Just follow my instruction. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this is my website, which is yougospel.com. So it will take you to my blog where I talk about review about the six web hosting company that you can partner, you can go and create your website from. So I'm using HostGator, which is what I'm using, and I'm recommending it for you guys if you want. And the link will be in the description below, and it will be the first link. Once you click on it, it will open this blog you can see on the screen. So all you just need to do once you land here is to scroll down. Just scroll down and click on the section that say Get HostGator. Just click on this section that say Get HostGator. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to HostGator direct. So guys, once you open HostGator that you can see on the screen here, so the first thing what you need to do is to click on this section that say Get Started. Once HostGator open, click on Get Started to get your hosting and domain. So once you click on Get Started, so it's going to show you the plan that they have here. So you can see that they have 3 plans on HostGator. So guys, you can see, like I say again, for the hosting, for the domain and hosting. So to get your domain and hosting, once you land, you click on Get Started. You just need to scroll down. Just scroll down a bit and you see what is on the screen. They have the hashing plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. So the one I recommend you guys to take is this baby plan. So me, I'm going to use the hashing plan because it's a tutorial. I'm going to make a tutorial about this. So I'm paying money just to make this video for you guys. So I want you to hit that like button if you really feel motivated for me doing this for you guys. So that is why I'm making the video. So I'm going to pay money for 1 month for just showing you how you can create your website. I want you to still click that like button, subscribe, just comment, said I heard you saying something. so that I will know that you watch this part. So what we need to do here, let me just focus on why we are here, is to create website. So what you need to do here is to select your plan. You can see the hashing plan, which is the first one, is 60% off, and the baby plan, which is this one I'm using for my own business, which is what I recommend for you, which is 65% off. The business plan is 65% off. So if you can see what they have here, the hashing plan, they have single website. You can only create only one website from the hashing plan, and one click of WordPress install, and the free web hosting ePanel website transfer, and mentor and language, and free SSL certificate, and free domain included. So yeah, you can see what it come with, and this one too, you can see it come with a lot of things here. You can see on the screen here. So all you just need to do is to take this plan. I recommend you guys to take the baby plan, because with this one you can create unlimited website with this baby plan, because you want to stay long time with them. So if you want to create any type of business on your website, you want to do any type of business again, you don't need to go into other hosting platform again. You just need to pick your domain, and your website will be connected immediately. So that is what I need to talk about that session. So what we need to do now is to pick a plan, which of the best hosting we are going to use. If I want to use this as my own website, I will click this baby plan is what I'm going to use, because it have unlimited domain. But for the purpose of this video, because I'm showing you guys how you can create your own website, I'm going to take the hashing plan, which is I'm going to use it for 1 month for you guys. So the website will be available for 1 month. You can go and check it if you have problem, and if you need some templates, you can still comment in the comment section below. You can contact me on Instagram or Twitter, and I will send you some templates that you need. So just keep on watching to learn how you can create your website. So what I need to do here now, I know I'm trying to explain this session to you guys. So what you need to do now, once you want to pick any plan, just click on the section and say buy now. So click on it. So as you can see, it just opened. So we are going to select a domain. So here you are going to select a domain on this session. So here you are going to select a domain. So I'm going to select a very simple domain for me. So you are going to think about your business and put your business name here. Let me say if it's cool cool line. If it's cool line, you can put coolline.com, or you can put let me say if it's John, you can put john.com. I don't know what is your business name. Just put your business name and see if it's available. If it's available, you can now buy it. So I will search for something that I have to use to make this tutorial for you guys. Let me search for something as a domain. So as you can see, guys, you can see that learnyougospower.com is available. So I will pick learnyougospower.com. So it's the domain that I pick. And at the bottom here, I'm going to select the domain I want, which is which is available now. If okay, is available. And all I just need to do, I just need to scroll down. You can see the domain here, which is learnyougospower.com, is available, and it will be tick. So what I need to do, so you can see that I'm going to pay for every year. I'm going to be paying $14.95 for just to have this domain for 1 year, and every year I'm going to be paying this amount. You can see on the screen here, I'm going to be paying $14.95 every year. So that is how much I'm going to be paying every year for having this domain. So if you scroll down here again, I will just scroll down to get the hosting. You can see they are telling me to pay for 1 year. No, this is almost like 3 years or 2 years, but I don't need that. I just need to click on this session. I'm going to do monthly. For the hosting, the monthly is $10.95, which is what we are going to pay for every month. That is for hosting. Remember, for your domain is different from your hosting. For your domain, you are paying yearly. You are paying only $14 per year, but for the hosting, you are paying every month. It's just like you rented a house and you are going to be paying every month, and the amount you are going to be paying every month is $10 every month. So I recommend HostGator because it's a really good hosting platform. So at the bottom here, I'm going to enter all my information. So I'm just going to enter all my information to make the payment of our hosting, domain and hosting. So I'm just going to enter all the information to get the domain and hosting. In just a second, let me fill out the form. So this is all the forms. This is all the forms I will fill. Let me just show you the first name, last name, and the how you want to pay. And you enter your payment method in your country, and there's things at the bottom. All those things, we don't need them. We don't need the website backup. They are telling us we are going to pay. We don't need all those things. You don't need it. You are going to get them for free from WordPress. So WordPress is secure. You just need to leave everything. This SSL, you need to make sure you uncheck it because you are going to get SSL for free, and remove that. Make sure everything is on check. And yeah, that is everything you need to enter. So once you have done with that, you need to fill out the form here. So I'm just going to fill it out, and I will come back to payment. So as you can see, guys, we have selected the domain now. We have our domain, which is learnyougospower.com. And if you scroll down here, we have selected our hosting plan, which is hashing plan. And we select monthly for the billing. And remember what I told you, you need to pick the baby plan. Make sure it's this one you pick for your website if you want to create unlimited, if you want to create multiple websites. And I've entered my Gmail and re-enter my Gmail. I've entered the pin code. This is how you can get your hosting. And down here, I've entered my billing information and how I will pay. And I've selected the payment method as PayPal. If you want to use credit card, you can click here, credit card, and just scroll down. And here you don't need to select add all those additional services. You don't need to add anything. So once you have unchecked, make sure you didn't uncheck anything here, because all those things you are going to get them for free once you are inside your website on WordPress. So just scroll down and make sure you have this snippy discount code, which will help you to have reduction too. And just scroll down, and as you can see, normally the total is $43 dollars, and but now we are paying $41 for the discount of $5.04. And yeah, you can see everything we are paying for. We are paying for add-on. This add-on you are paying $14 is only once. It's just once. It's for you to be able to add multiple websites. That is why it's called add-on. So you can see what it's called. It say hosting add-ons. So you can see hosting add-ons is $14. It's only once you are paying this money, and after that you will now start paying monthly this amount you can see at the top here. If you scroll down, if you scroll up again, you will see the billing. You can see the monthly subscription you are going to be paying every month for your website, which is hosting, is $10.95. So yeah, that is what I'm paying. I know $10 is nothing for you guys, so you can do that. So yeah, if you are through with everything, just scroll down and accept the terms and condition, that you have read the terms and condition, and accept again. Or if you want to receive occasional email from them, if you don't want, you can leave it unchecked. But if you want, you can just uncheck this, and you can click on this section that say check out now, and you will make your payment. So it's going to show me the payment method. So it's going to tell me to confirm this capture to enter my PayPal Gmail account and make the payment. So I'm going to make the payment right now. In just a second, let me enter my payment information. So as you can see, guys, here bring me to PayPal. So I'm going to make the payment now. So once I'm through with the payment, I will show you the next step. So let me enter my payment method here, and I will. So as you can see, guys, this is what is showing out after we make our payment. So we need to cancel this. Just cancel that so that we can go to our dashboard, the dashboard of our website. So once the dashboard open, this is what you will see at the top here. Just cancel this. Just click on cancel to remove this on the dashboard. So when you click on that, you will see it will tell you welcome Chris, and it'll say let's make a website. So you can do this, but you don't need to do this. Just follow my instruction of what I'm doing. So to check your domain, if you click on this section that says domain, if I click on domain now, it will pop up the domain we just bought. You will see it is what is going to pop up. Just wait in a second. You can see the domain we just bought, which is learnyougospower.com. This is the domain, and how you can install your WordPress account is just to follow the step by step what I'm going to show you. Just watch me showing you how you can do that. So guys, what you need to do once you're on your dashboard on HostGator is to click on this section that say Marketplace. So once you click on Marketplace, just scroll down, or you can search for WordPress at the top here. You can just search for WordPress. Search for WordPress. Just search for WordPress at the top here and click on search. So WordPress will pop up. Just wait in a second. So guys, once you are here, once you're on this page, once you click on Marketplace, you just need to scroll down. Just scroll down here and you will see this section that say one click install. So once you click on one click install, it will take you to this page you will see on the screen here. I hope you are following this step. It will take you to this page that you can see on the screen here, and you will find WordPress. If you don't find WordPress, if you scroll down, you will find WordPress. So this is WordPress, and what we need to do now is to install it for free. If you scroll down here, you can see that WordPress is telling us that they can do this for us for $190, and or to install it, the theme and everything is $49. So it's something that you can do for free, but WordPress is telling you that they can do this for you in this amount. Just imagine you paying this amount of money just to install your WordPress account. Just imagine. So how you can do that is very simple, is what I'm going to show you now. So to install it, you see at the bottom here, you see optional, you say use our installer. You can do it yourself. So you just need to follow the instruction here. You just need to click on this section that say install WordPress. Click on it. So once you click on it here, so it's going to give you all those information. I want you to pay attention on this section here. This is where the magic happens. You need to make sure you pay attention here. So it says fill out the form below to get started with your installation, with your install. So what you need to do here now is to enter all the information you are seeing on the screen here. So you need to fill out all these whole forms. So I'm going to fill them out. I'm going to enter my email. This email you are going to use here, which is to be your admin, and the admin user is the username you are going to be seeing on your website, and you want to enter your blog name and etc. And you scroll down here, you just need to click on install once you are done entering all those information. Make sure you remember your password, because that is what you will use to log into your account. Make sure you remember your password. So they are going to give you password once you are done entering all those information. So I'm going to enter my information here. So to enter the information, this first one here, you have to select the domain you are going to install this. That is where we are pointing this WordPress account to. So make sure you enter the account you are pointing it to. You can see learnyougospower.com, which is the website I bought because of the purpose of this video, to show you how you can do that. So you are pointing it to this account, to this your website, this WordPress account. Click on it and is pointed to this account. You can enter something here if you want slash something slash, like you can see some website that has slash.com slash this slash that. If you want to do that, you can do that here. So if you enter it, when they search for your website, they need to put that slash something, but you don't need to do that. You just need to leave it. Just leave this section that says slash blank. You don't put anything here. But if you want something to be at the end of your website.com, something, you can do that. But if you don't want to do it, just leave here and come to the bottom here, enter your email, your Gmail, and enter your admin user and enter your blog title, and at the bottom here your first name, and enter your user, and at the bottom here you enter your last name and you click on install. So I'm going to fill out all those information in just a second. Let me fill it out. So as you can see guys, I have filled out all the information here. So I'm just going to click on install so that we can have our WordPress account created. So you just need to click on install at the bottom. So you can see say okay, we are setting up WordPress for you. So while we are working on magic, why not take a time to upgrade the look of your WordPress theme items, starting at just $39. Don't mind them on this. Just cancel this. Just remove this at the top here. Just cancel this. Just wait in a second. So just cancel that, and you say your install is complete. Click here to view your notification. So I need to click that section to view my notification, and I will just click here. So this is the password they give to me, and this is my username, which is Chris, and this is our website and admin areas. So if you want to visit your website, this is what you will use to visit your website. So what I will do now is to save this thing. So I will take screenshot of these details that you can see on the screen here. So I will take a screenshot of this page you can see on the screen, and later I will go and change this password. For example, for now, let me just copy this password here, because once we log into our account is what we are going to change. The first thing we have to do. So I will just copy this URL here, and you can see that our username is Chris, and this is our website. If we want to log into our website, this is the link we have to visit. So we are going to leave this page open, and we are going to open another page. But the first, make sure you save this your password, and if you want, you can take screenshot like I did. So I'm going to just take snapshot of it. So guys, I have taken the screenshot of this login information that they give to me. So you can see, say, use this information below to log into your new install account. So you can see admin area, which is this one. So I'm going to copy this URL here. So this is what you will be using anytime you want to log into your WordPress account. So I'm going to copy it. So I've clicked on it. It's opening now. We are just going to wait for it to open properly. You can see I'm copying the code now. Just sorry about that. So guys, I've copied the code. So we are going to go now to open this website in a new browser so that we can log into our WordPress account. So I'm going to open a new tab here and paste and go to this link. So this is how it will look like. Paste and go to that link, and this is how it will look like here. So if you want to log in your website, you need to put your website. Let me say this is your website, which is www.ugodspower.com, and you put slash wp, then you put slash, you put this slash icon here, and you put login. So that is how you can log into your WordPress account. So once you enter this, your website will now show this page. It will ask you to enter your username and ask you for your password. So we need to go back again and copy our password and our username to log into our account. You remember, we'll take a snapshot of this username here. So we are going to open this page here and copy our username, which is Chris. Our username is Chris. We copy that, and we are going back here to paste it. So we are going to paste our username here, or our Gmail account. So we are going to go back again and copy the password and copy the password again. Copy the password and go back here and paste the password here. This is to log in. So now I need to click on login to log into my account. I will just click on login. So it's logging in now. So usually it will ask you this, it will tell you to confirm to verify your Gmail account to make sure that this your Gmail account is associated with your WordPress account, and all you just need to do is to verify it as the administration. You need to verify your Gmail account. So just do that. I will verify mine. Just verify yours too. So once you have verified the email they sent to you, you will click on this section that say the email is correct. You click on the email is correct, and automatically it will log you into your WordPress account. Voila! So as you can see now, your website now. You have created your website. So all we just need to do is to cancel all those things you can see on the screen here and remove this, cancel that, cancel everything here. Just remove everything you can see on the screen here. So as you can see at the top here, it's showing that it say coming soon, which is your website. And all you just need to do is to ignore this. Then you need to go to your user account to change your password. That is the first thing I recommend you to do. So to change your account before you visit your website and see how the website looks. So the first thing is to go to your user account, and to go to your users area, you need to click on settings here. Click on settings and click on general. So once it lands you on your profile page here, you just need to scroll down to change your password. That is only what you need to do here. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until this section here and click on reset password. Click on that. And this is the funky password they give to you to log into your WordPress account. So what you need to do is to change this password. So let me change my password quickly. So as you can see, guys, we have changed our password and save it. So what we need to do now is to visit our website to see how our website look before we start designing and adding things to our website. So to see your website, you just need to come at the top here and click on this section, and you will find this a visit site. You click on this section here to visit it and see how the website look. So you can see what it said. It say learners, just an other WordPress site, and they say hello world and welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edited or delete it, then start writing. So yeah, this is what you can see, and this is how your website look. So you can see everything how your website look. How do you feel about this, what you can see on the screen here? So it look ugly and it look weird. Really it look weird and ugly. So I'm going to show you how you can transform this website to something very unique. So let us start the work. So the first thing now is to move to the next step. Let us move to the next step on how you can start designing and creating your website. So the first thing, we are going to install the themes and the plugins that we need to design our website. So let us go to our dashboard. So before we start installing themes again, so we are on our dashboard now. Before we start installing themes, what I want us to do is to delete all the page, all the blogs, and all the plugins that they install. So to find your post that they have on the website, you need to click on post section here. Click on the post, and you will find all the posts there, and you will delete all the posts that they have. Word, you will delete it. Just delete everything is what you saw when we visit the website just now. We need to click on this section. So to delete, you just need to click on what you want to delete, and you will see this section that say bulk action. Click on it, and you have to put it on trash. Say move to trash and click on apply. So that is how you can delete anything in any area of WordPress dashboard. And yeah, so you have been moved to trash. So if I click on trash now, I will not delete that content. I will delete that file completely. So if I click on trash here, and it will take me to trash. So once I'm on trash, what I can do here now is to click on what I have to delete, and I will click on this bulk action, and you will see delete permanently. I will click on delete permanently, and I will click on apply, and it will be deleted permanently out of my website or out of my WordPress account. So you can see now on our post is 100% free. There's no post or there's no category on our WordPress page. So we need to go to the page section here. We need to click on page and all pages, and to see the pages that is available on this website, we need to delete everything. You can see the pages that is available: privacy policy and sample page, and for WP forms previews. And all we just need to do is to delete everything and put them to trash. So just click on that and click on trash and apply, and that is all they will be sending to trash. Like I said again, to make sure you delete it permanently, you need to click on this section that says trash. Click on trash, and so once you click on trash, what you need to do here now is to click on this section and click on bulk action, and click on delete permanently, and click on apply, and that is how you can delete anything permanently, and now you cannot find all those data on your website. So now we are through deleting our post, the post that follow our website, and we are through deleting the page that followed our website, and we have to move to the plugins that followed our website. We need to click on plugins and delete all the plugins that come with our website. So I will click on plugins here, and it will display all the plugins available on our website, and we need to delete everything. So we just need to see active plugin. You can see the plugin that is active is almost 6 plugins that is active on our website. So what we need to do now is to delete this plugin completely. So what we need to do again is very simple. You already know. Click on this section to make sure you select all the plugins that you want to delete. Plugins are functions, are what used to transform your website functions. Like if you want to add widget, pages, image, and all those kind of things, that is what plugins do. They help you to transform your website to look more attractive, good, and run faster. So that is what plugins help you for. So what we need to do now is to click on this bulk action and click on deactivate and click on apply. That is how you can delete plugin. First, you need to deactivate the plugin, and later you will delete it permanently. So you just need to click on deactivate, and we need to wait for the plugin to be deactivated. And here it will be moved to deactivate. And what we need to do on deactivate is that we need to make sure we select all the plugins again and click on this section that's a bulk action and click on delete. So you will see delete here. Click on delete and you click on apply again, and it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete those plugins? And you will say okay, and the plugins will be deleted. As you can see, all the plugins are deleting one by one, so we just need to wait for them to be deleted completely. So as you can see, all the plugins have been deleted. So what we need to do now is to install what we need to start to use to create and design our website. So the first thing is to go and install the themes of our website. So we need to go to themes to install it. So to install your theme, what you need to do, come to appearance, you see the section themes, click on themes. So when you click on themes, it will open and it will ask you to select the themes you want to install. As you can see, this is the theme that is active on our account. So we are going to look for other themes that we can use to use as the theme of our website. So I love the theme that is called Ashra. So we are going to search for Ashra on the search bar here. On the search theme section, it says search install themes. So you need to search the theme that you have installed. And to add new themes, you need to click on this section to add new themes. So we need to add new themes to our website. What we just need to do now is to click on this section that says add new theme. But before we add new themes, let us delete all those themes that is currently on our website. So we need to delete everything completely. Let me show you how you can do that. How you can do that is to click on this section, and at the bottom here, just scroll to the bottom. You will see at the bottom, you will see a section that says delete. Click on delete, and it will say, are you sure you want to delete this? You say, okay, I want to delete that. And that is how you can delete all the themes from your theme, from the theme that you currently have installed on your WordPress website. So let me delete the rest. So as you can see, guys, I have deleted all the themes and it's remaining only one, which is the one that we have currently on our website. So to add new is to click on this section that says add new, and it's going to open up. So the theme that I'm using that I know that is very fast is Ashra. So I use Ashra as my theme on my current website, which is www.yougospower.com. And this is the Ashra theme that I'm using. I will click on install. And once it's through install, I will click on activate. So it's through installing. I will click on activate to activate the theme. So as once it's done, it will ask you to say thank you for installing Ashra, and it will tell us to get started to start designing our website. And what we need to do now is say do you know that Ashra come with a dozen of ready to use starter templates? If you want to do that, you can just click on get started and it will be installed. The get starter template will be installed on your WordPress website, WordPress account, and you can add them, start adding all those functions to your website if you want later. So yeah, so if you want to get this, you can just click on get started, but we don't need that. You just need to cancel that, but you can just click on get started, and if you want it, and it will be installed on your account. And that is what I need to talk on this session. And once you are done doing this, and we need a page builder, which is what we are going to be using to be building our website. You know, I told you from the beginning of this video that it's going to be a drag and drop uh, 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 method, that you don't need to do coding, you don't need to do anything. It's just a drag and drop simple way to create your website that people are really interested on. I know that this will really help many of you. So to install our page builder, we need to install Elementor. So to install Elementor, we need to go to plugins to install Elementor. So once you click on plugin here, you click on add new, and you will come to this section. You will search for Elementor. You just need to search for Elementor at the top here. Search for Elementor and search for Elementor, and it will display at the top here. You can see Elementor here. You click on install, and once it is through installing, then you can click on activate. So once it's through installing, click on activate. So now we have our page builder installed. We have our theme installed. So what we need to do now is to start creating our website. So now that we have installed all those themes, so let us see how our website look, because we have not really checked. We have installed the themes, we have installed the plugins, which is the Elementor, the page builder. Let us see how our website look right now. Let us see what is going on and how our website look. So to see how your website look, just click on your website title, which is learner, and click on this section that says visit site. So you can see now that it look beautiful and it look different. You can see how everything look, and it look beautiful. It look okay for me. It's looking at least attractive now. If you see before, it was kind of boring, and you can see many things like climbing each other, and you can see everything is aligned because we are using the cool page builder, which is Ashra, as you can see at the bottom here. And yeah. So what we need to do now is to start designing our website. So how can you start designing your website, and what can you do? So what we need to do now is to we need to create some pages, the menus of our website. So to do that, we need to go back again to our dashboard. So if you see all those things that pop up on the dashboard, if you don't want to see all those things again, just click on this screen option, this screen option. Once you click on it here, you can uncheck everything and remove them. Quick draft, you can remove this, and you can remove the Elementor overview, and you can see that everything is blank now. And now you feel free, you can breathe, because everything is just climbing each other, so it's kind of boring for me. So yeah, you can see your website, you can see your dashboard on your WordPress account. Very beautiful. And now you can start doing your work. So to start doing the work, what I said again, you need to create your page. And the pages we are going to create, we need to click on this section, click on page, and we need to create pages on our blog, on our website. So to create the pages, we need to click on this section that say add new pages, add new. So click on that, and we are going to create multiple pages. So I'm going to tell you the pages you are going to create. Just wait, and once they open, we are going to create that. So guys, you can see now that it's open. So what we need to do here now is to create our first page. We need to call this page home. Call it home, and you click on save. Before you save it, just make sure at the bottom here. So once you click on the page, you need to click on publish, and the page will be published on your website. So you need to do your about page. So click and publish. So once you are done with that, yes, your page has been published, it's now live. So we are going to create another page. We are going to click on this section, and go back again. So you see that we came back here, we have our home page, and now we are going to click here again and to create the rest page about you, contact us, and privacy policy, refund policy if you want to do all those things on your website. So that is how you can create pages. So you already know how you can create pages. So I'm going to create the other pages that I need to do this, to show you this tutorial. So this one I'm going to call it contact us. I'm going to call it contact us page. Contact us. I'm going to call it contact us, and I will click on save, publish, and publish. So guys, as you can see now, we have all this page created. We have about, we have contact us, we have home, we have privacy policy and terms of use. That is what you need to have on your website. It's very, very important, all those things that I just listed here. And yeah, the next thing now is to start designing and creating our website. So, but first we need to add all those menus to our home page. So to make sure all those menus, you can see all those pages or all those um, pages you can see here we display on our website. Because if you visit our website right now, let us visit our website to see how it's displaying. So guys, what we need to do, let us visit our website to see how it look now. So once we click on visit, it will open. So as you can see guys, this is our website now. This is how it look. You can see home is showing here, and this is how it look now. So everything just start looking different. So we are going to go back. So once you come to your dashboard, to make sure all those pages you see, all those pages we created is displaying on your website, you need to come to this section, click on this section that say appearance. You will see menu section here. Click on menus. So when you click on menus, it will open this page you can see on the screen here. Here you will see the menus that we just created. You see about, contact us, privacy policy, terms of use, and home. So what we need to do, we need to make sure we display all those pages at the home section. So what we need to do now is to click on about and click on contact us, and we click on add here. Please make sure you click add. So you click add, and once you click add, you need to come down here and you can arrange them the way you want. You see everything is arranged in a good way. So you can see home, about, and contact us. So we just need to scroll down. Just scroll down a bit and click on save. So click on save. So once you click on save, everything will be saved. Everything you just did will be saved. And one thing that is good again is that you can drag each one of them. You can decide how you want it. If you want about to be at the first, if you want home to be at the first side. So on your website, you will see it to arrange in that way. It will go according to how you arrange it here. So let us visit our website to see how it look now. The home page, the menus of our website. Let us see how it look. So we have to click on our website here and click on visit site. Let us see. Yes, leave page and visit site. So yeah, as you can see now, our home is showing our home and about and contact us. So we now have about and we have our menus set, and you can see this is a form of our logo. So what we need to do now is to add a logo here. Before we start designing the website, the home page, about, and contact us, I just want to show you how you can design a logo. So to get a logo, we are going to create a logo which is going to be a learn so which is the logo we are going to create. I'm going to show you how you can create your logo in a very simple way on Canva. So we are going to go to Canva and create our logo. So guys, once you're on Canva, you need to search for logo. Just click on the search bar here and search for logo. Just type in logo and click on search. So as you can see guys, it is showing out a lot of templates of logos here. So we need to make sure we create our logo from blank. We need to click on this section that say create a blank logo, so without nothing. So we are going to design our logo by ourselves, just make it look exactly how we want it. And you will just need to click on this section. But before you click on it, if you are looking for a Canva Pro, you want to get Canva Pro in affordable amount, you need to contact me on my Instagram. So yeah, I will give you Canva account Pro. So just contact me, and I will help you with that. And in just with cheap price, with a cheap price, I will give you a Canva Pro. So you just need to contact me for 1 year. I will give it to you for free for 1 year. Just contact me on my Instagram, and yeah. So I will click on create a blank logo. I will just click on that, and it's going to open. So as you can see, guys, the template of the logo just opened. So what we need to do, we need to drag the things that we want on this page. So what we need to do now is to click on the test, click on this test section, test bar here. You can see a test tab here, click on it. So once you click on it, it will open, and you have to drag in test inside. So once you drag in test inside here, then you can type in your website name. Let me call it Learn You God's Power. Yeah, it was Learn You God's Power. So we type in Learn You God's Power, and we are going to resize it. I'm going to drag it down, and so we are going to do it something like this. And you can choose the fonts, how you want it to look. You can just click on fonts to change how you want it to display. We can say, okay, if we want something like this, or we want something like this, we can just say, okay, if you want something like this, you can do that. Or you can just go around and make a choice of the fonts you want. So let me make a choice. So I just designed something like this. This is what I want to use for the tutorial of this video, is a learner. So I just click on this element, and I search for learner, and they give me kind of things that represent learner. And you can see many things that represent learner, and you can just look for something that you feel okay with, and just drop it inside here, and boom, you have what you want on your website, the type of design logo you want, how you want your website to look, how you want the logo of your website to look. So yeah, so now that we have it created, so what we need to do now is to save it. So to download it, what you just need to do is to click on this download icon here. So once you click on this downloading icon, you need to make sure you click on transparent background and click on compress file. So we compress the file, make it to be very low quality, but it will compress the file. It will compress the file, so the file size will reduce. So that is what you need to do there. Make sure your background is transparent, and compress it, and click on save download settings, and click on download. So the file is going to be downloaded into my computer, and we are going to upload it to our website. So as you can see, the file is downloading at the bottom here. You can see the logo is just the download just completed. So what we need to do now is to go to our website now, and upload this logo, and put it as our logo on our website. So let us go and do that. So now that you have your logo, so how to upload your logo is very simple. You just need to click on visit your website here at the top, click on learner, and click on your website. So once you click on that, you need to click on this section that says customize. You see this section that says customize, click on it, click on customize here. So once you click on customize, it will open this tab that you can see at the left. So what you need to do, you need to scroll down to this section. You can see site identity. Click on site identity here. So once you click on site identity, this is what it will display. This you can see on the menu here. It might display in different way on your website, so you need to pay attention. So what you need to do is to click on this section that says site title and logo settings. Click on that section. So once you click on this section, it will display this that you can see. So if you see that our website, what is representing us as our logo now is this learners. So that is what is representing us. So once we upload that logo, you will see that it will disappear. So to make sure this is not displaying on our website again, we need to make sure this title, we need to remove it. Just delete that title. And you can off it here. You can say display site title. You can make sure it's off, or you can leave it on check. So I can just click on off, and then we can click on logo to upload our logo. So click on logo and select logo. So click on that. So it's going to take us to our media file. So now we are going to go and select upload our logo. So we need to click on this section, and it's going to take us to our computer. So what we are going to do from our computer now is to select the logo. This is the logo we just designed. So we just need to click on the logo and click on upload, and voila, so the logo have just been completed. So what we need to do now is to click on it, so make sure it's selected, and you need to make sure before you upload it, you need to just write your website name every time. Make sure before you upload any image, make sure it represents the page that you are trying to build. The title of the Make sure the title of your image, anything that you're adding on your website, make sure is going to be exactly as what is on that page. So you need to make sure the title must be exactly what is on that page. And I will just say, okay, learner Yugos Power, and just write that and click on save, and you will see that it have been saved as the title of the image. So we need to click on select, and you can see here is displaying this. So what we need to drag it up, and now we have exactly what we want as our what logo. So we need to click on crop image, and it's going to crop the image, and you can see that it will start displaying at the top here. So you can see the way it's displaying. So it's like covering everything. So we need to reduce the weight of the logo. So we need to drag this down, and we can drag it something like this. So I think for me, I think perfectly is okay like this. Yeah, it's okay for me. I think it's okay like this. So what we need to do now, make sure you click on save. Once you are done doing that, click on save. So now we have our logo at the top here. We have our menu here that is displaying. So what we need to do next again now is to do our site icon. So how to display site icon. So you need to, it's called favorite icon. You can see this thing that is displaying here as HostGator logos here at the top here. You can see it at the top is displaying as HostGator logo. So you can see here HostGator logo is displaying on our website. How to get rid of that is to just come down and click on this site icon. Click on that, and you click on select site icon. Click on it, and here you are going to select the image, that same logo. You can create a particular logo for that if you want, but I will just I will just select this, and just make sure you enter this alt text. Make sure you always put your website name there, and you can put your website name, or you can put something that is representing that content you are trying to add on your website. So what you need to do now again is to click on select, and this is what is going to be displaying as your site icon. So what I want to display as my site icon, I don't want the name along with it, so I'm going to crop the image. I'm going to crop it. Let me crop it up. I just want to crop it to this area. Let me do that. Just wait in a second. So I'm trying to crop it, but the cropping is not working. What we are going to do here now is to just download only this logo. So we are going to go back to Canva to do that. So once you're on Canva, what you can do here now is to get rid of the name, remove learner Yugos Power, and delete. You click on delete from Canva, and this is going to be the favorite icon, the site icon. We are going to increase that, and we are going to bring it a little bit here, and we can reduce it a little bit too, and put it at the middle. So once it's at the middle, we're going to click a download, and the same thing, make sure you transparent background, and click on save download. Sorry. So once you click on download, the file will be downloaded to your computer. So as you can see, the file just completed downloading. So what we need to do now is to go and upload that on our website. So to do that, we need to go back to our website. So once you're on your website, you can see that this favorite icon is it's not really good. So what we need to do, we need to cancel this, to remove this. Just click on this check icon and remove that, and we are going to click on this select site icon again, just like we did, and we are going to click on file, and we are going to click on select file, and it's going to pop up, and we are going to select the file we just downloaded. Where is the file? Yeah, is this one. So we are going to click on this one here and click on upload, and it's going to pop up here. So it's going to download, and make sure you enter on the alt text. Make sure you enter your website name there and click on select. So once you click on select, I think yeah, so this is now our site icon. So this is our site icon. So what you need to do, you can see they show it as an example what I just showed you. This is how it will be displaying on your anyone, to anyone who visits your website. This will be your site icon. So what we need to do is to click on crop image, and boom. So yeah, so our site icon have been set to this, and what we can do now is to click on save and publish. So it have been published. So let us visit our website and see how the menus look before we start designing of the website. So what we are going to do now is to search our website to see how it look now. How we can see our website now, and click on enter. So as you can see now, so this is the menu of our website. We are going to make this look more beautiful. I just want you to be patient and keep on watching. If you like this video and you are enjoying it, just click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see now that we have our home menu, about, and contact us. So all those menu is empty, there is nothing, and I'll show you how you can design all those things. So what you need to do, you can see that our logo is displaying here, and our favorite icon is displaying at the top here. You can see it very tiny little at the top here, so you can see it at the top here. So how to fix this situation that you are seeing here that says not secure? You can see that if you click here, this website is telling us that our website is not secure. So anyone that visits our website, they might be afraid of using our data or using the things that we are offering or services that you are trying to sell from our website. So to make sure this problem is not happening on your website, how to make sure you install your SSL certificate on your website is what I'm going to show you now. So this is how you can install your SSL certificate on your website. So let me show you how you can do that from your WordPress dashboard. So guys, to install your SSL certificate, so once you're on your WordPress dashboard here, you need to click on plugins. So once you click on plugins, it will open. What you are going to do, you need to click on this section that says add new. So you are going to add new plugin. So just wait for it to open properly. And once it opens here, you are going to search for SSL. Just search for SSL and click on search. So it's searching now. So once it pop up here, so is this first one that's a really simple SSL. So what you need to do is to install it. Click on install. I want you to pay attention that once this SSL certificate is installed on your website, it might log you out and ask you to log into your website again. This is just updation, just for update. So to update that this is working on your website and to make sure everything is working smoothly. So it might log you out, it might not. So if it happens like that, just log into your dashboard again. So I will click on activate. To activate the SSL certificate. So once I click on activate, so you can see what it's saying now. It says your SSL certificate, and it say a lot of things here. So what you need to do is to click on activate SSL. Just click on this section that say activate SSL. And once you click on that, so like I told you, it will log you out. So as you can see, it just log us out of our website, and we are going to log into our website again. So what I'm going to do now is to click on log in, and you will see that the site not secure or website not secure or not secure, you will not find that again on your website. So you will see that your website now is 100% secure. You can see what he's saying here. So you can see what he's saying here. He's saying that your SSL is activated on your website, so your website is now secure, but you have 6 tasks to do. So just a reminder of things you have to set up, your privacy policy and other things you need to set up on your website. So we don't need all those things for the moment. Now that the SSL is okay on our website, we just need to make sure everything is okay. So once it's done like that, we need to now go to our dashboard. So we need to go to our dashboard now that SSL have been installed on our website. So yeah, so let us now go to our dashboard now. Go back to our dashboard, and we are going to visit our website to see if the SSL, if it's still showing website not secure. We are going to see that. As you can see on the dashboard here, you can see it was showing that website not secure. Now you see that it's showing secure. So let us visit our website to see if it's showing secure now. So as you can see, this is our website. It's showing not secure at the top here. So if you are seeing this, now that we have installed our SSL certificate on our website, just click on install here, refresh, click on refresh here and see what it will pop up. Let us see what will pop up. So as you can see now, our website is secure. So if I click on this icon here, you can see it say connection is secure. So that is how you can install your SSL certificate on your website if you have not done that. So now we are going to move to the part where you are going to start designing your website, the homepage, about us, and etc. etc. All those things are very simple to do. You just need to watch me step by step showing you how you can do that. So we are going to move to our WordPress dashboard. So guys, once you're on your WordPress dashboard, how to start designing your website, make it look exactly what you want. The first thing is to start with the home page. So we are going to go to design the home page. We just need to click on pages and click on pages. So once it open, you need to click on the pages, and you will see it say edit with Elementor at the bottom here below the home page Elementor. You can see it's telling you to edit your page with Elementor. So we need to make sure we click edit with Elementor, because this is what's going to facilitate your work and make it look smoothly and make it look more faster for you and easy. So if you don't have any experience of coding or any other thing, so we need to wait and patient for it to open properly, and we can start designing our website homepage. So as you can see guys, this is now the page. So we are going to start designing our website. I know you don't know anything about your website now. You can see that everything is kind of overwhelming and you don't know what to do, where to start from. So what we need to do, the first thing is to change the how we want the background of our website to look, and how we want the link, how the color of the link and other things, how you want them to be. So what we need to do now, let me show you how you can change the colors of your website, the background, and what you really want to know about this designing when it comes to designing your website. So let me show you. So what you can do here now, first thing I always do is to change select the fonts of the website, the design and the colors and the background of the website. So you just need to click on this icon here, this menu icon, and you click on site settings. Once you click on site settings, it's going to show you many things about your website. You say global colors. Click on global colors, and here you can select, you can see that the primary color of the website, this is the color you can see at the top here, and you can set it if you want to set it to what you really want, which is the link's color. And it's like let me say for example you want to type a header session, this is what is going to be displayed at the primary primary color. So that is what you need to know about that. The fonts of the website, what is the fonts, what is the fonts you want your website to look, how do you want the fonts of your website to look. The fonts are, text on your website can look different. So what you need to do here is you can come here and select the fonts of the fonts you want your website to look. You can come here and you can type in the fonts of your website, how you want it to look, and you can click on here. You can click on add style if you want to add something to your website, or if you don't want to add anything, you just need to click on delete and remove that. Just remove that, and yeah, so that is how you can add fonts, add things to your website. Typography, you can click on typography too, and to add those things to your website if you want to do some changes on your website, the color text, the body text, paragraph space, and all those things, link colors, and etc, etc, as you can see on the screen here. So if you want to do that, you just need to click on any one of them, and you will see that the changes will be made into your website. So that is it. And the headers color, how you want the headers color, you want the headers color to be like header 1, header 2, you want them to have different colors. You can do that from your Elementor page builder, which is what is helping you to do all those things on your website. So that is what I need to talk about there. And the buttons, how you want the buttons to look, the colors of the button, the background, and etc, etc. So you can do all those things, you can do all those changes here. So all you just need to do is to scroll down and you select it. This is if you want to do it before you start doing the design of your website. This will help you and facilitate your work, because you don't want to be doing like you change the colors every time you want to design and etc. If you don't want to be doing that, you can just change everything according to how you want it to look. So yeah, that is the things I need to, there's a lot of things you need to know here. So you can see the images. If you want to change images, you can just come here and select a particular image that you want to be displaying in a particular page. And yeah, so the style of the effect of the on your website, if you want to do that, is on images and forms. And you can see a lot of things that you can do, the site title and the background and etc, the layout, the line box, and the custom CSL and the addition settings. So you, if let's see the background now, you can see the background of the website. If we want to change that, we can just click here and we can say, okay, we want the background of our website to be showing this color. We can just click here and we can just select colors, how we want the background for our website to look. We just need to click on that, and this is how it will be displaying. And yeah, but if you don't want that, you just need to go back. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to save anything there. You just need to cancel this, and you can do don't save, discard it, and it will not be saved on your website. Everything will look the same. That is if you want to set all those things up before you start designing your website. But if you want to be doing everything by yourself, you just need to follow my step, and is what I'm going to show you now. So what you can do here now to start designing your website is very simple. It's just a drag and drop, like you drag, you drop, right, type, changes, and that is all you just need to do. Let me show you. So how you can do that is to click on this section that say plus, that say this plus icon is if you want to design the website exactly to how you want it. This is if you want to do it by yourself. But if you want to do it in another way, the more simplest way, I'll call it the most easiest way to design your website is to click on this section that have this icon there, further icon, and once you click on that, it will show you a bunch of templates that you can use as your own website. So all you just need to do is to import a template, and you just need to change the text and change the look of the website. So how you can do that is very simple. Let me look for something that I have to use as the purpose of this video. So I'm going to use something very simple. I'm going to use which theme will I use? I don't want to take your time looking for themes, so I will just take this simple one here, and I will click on install theme. So install template, and do you want to import this template? Yes. So once it's going to show error, it say follow error. No, it's showing an error on call. We are processing a request connection library. No. So we are going to click on OK and try again. We are going to try this again. So I want to say something. When you click on it and you see that error on call, you know that you have to log into your Elementor account. So you need to log into your Elementor account for this to work. So if you pass through this kind of error popping up, you need to log into your Elementor account. So that is why it's happening like that, or you have experiencing internet connection. So once you click on insert, you see that it will insert all the page now. So you can see now that we have this on our home page, entire home page. You can see now that we can have this type of design on our website, but we can redesign everything to make it look exactly to what we want it to look. So what we can do here now is to start redesigning the website and make it to look exactly what we want. So if I click on save here, if I click on save now, and let us go and visit the website to see how our website homepage look. So we are going to go and visit our website now to see how the homepage look. So as you can see currently right now, this is how our website look. And if we refresh it, you will see it will become something different. Just watch what will happen. So it's refreshing now. So we are just going to be patient. Let us wait for it to refresh properly. So as you can see guys, our website is now looking beautiful. You can see our website, the way it's displaying and everything is fine. You can see the template we just added on our website. You can see the way it look. You can see our website now, how beautiful our website looks. So later I will show you how you can retouch all those things, change the image, remove the background, remove the color. I will show you how you can do all those things in a very simple way. You can see now that with just importing one template, your website look exactly to what you want it to look like. You see how everything is beautiful. So I will show you how you can do all those things you can see here. So how you can remove all those image and design it to look exactly to what you want. So this is our website now, and this is how the home page look like. Someone click on the home page now, it will bring them back to this home page that you can see. If someone click on our logo, it will bring them back to this website that you can see. So this is now our website, and this is how it look. So we are going to redesign it and retouch it and make it look something different to what we want it to look like. So that is everything I need to talk about on this session. So let me say, for example, you added this template and it's not displaying on your website. That means your website is not set to home and is not set to each part of your website. So how you can fix this problem to set your website to a particular session is to let us leave here, come to your dashboard on your website. You need to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you will see a section that is called reading. So this section that say reading, click on reading. So once you click on reading, what is going to happen here? Let me show you what is going to happen. When you click on reading, you will see that your website is set as post, latest post. So which means anything you do on your website, there's nothing that is going to display. So you need to understand this. If you are passing through this problem, you need to make sure you really be careful on this part. So how you can fix the problem is to bring it down to a static page, select below. So click on this section, make sure it's checked, and you set home as home. Set home as home page. So it's home page now. So we have set it as home, and we set post as post. So that is everything. And you can select the post you want to be displaying as in the post section and at times. And you can scroll down and click on save. So once you are through with that. So that is how you can do that. So if you are passing through the problem like what you design is not displaying on your website, you need to go to your settings and just do it just like I just showed you now. And if you go back again to your own, if you go back to that your website, you will see that it will start displaying everything that you did on your website. So that is how you can do that. So we are going to move to the section where you are going to import about you. So just like we did it on our homepage, that is how we are going to do it again on our about. So we are going to go and design our about page. So to design your about page, you need to go back again, go to pages, and once you're on pages, you need to select your about and you select edit with Elementor. So this is our about page. We need to click on edit. Yeah, we need to click on the page. First of all, you click on the page and it will take you to the page like where you created the page, and you will see at the top, it will be showing at the top or at the bottom, you'll be seeing Elementor displaying. Then you just need to click on Elementor, and that is all you just need to do. And Elementor will open. You will now import your template. So yeah, so now that we are here, what we need to do now is to just cancel all those things, and you will see edit with Elementor like I told you, and click on edit with Elementor, and we are going to import a template about us on our website. So we are just going to wait for it to open properly. So as you can see guys, now that we have our about us open, so we are just going to click on this folder icon again to import a template. And once the folder is open, I will show you how you can do that. So once it open, you can click on blogs. So click on blogs. So when you click on blog, it will show you other templates that you can import on your website. So after this part, I will still show you how you can design your own template, how you can design it and make it here. So we can just here and to click on category so that you will just focus on about, so that they will show you template of about. So what you just click on category and you click on about. So when you click on about, it's going to display template that concerns about. So you will find multiple templates about, and yeah, let me go click on go back to library, and it will take us back to library in just a second. So it take us back to library, and you can just come here again, like I told you, click on this section and you click on about, and it will display about pages to you. So those are pages that you can use as about you. So what we can do now is to select one of the page that we like, that we want to write about us on this page. So that is how you can do that. So what you need to do, just select anyone here. I can say, okay, I like this one. I will just click on this one here, and I will click on insert, and I will click on insert, and it's going to be inserted to my website. So that is how you can do that. So if I click on insert here, so as you can see, it just inserted to my website directly, and this is now about us on our website. So when people visit our website, they click on about, this is what is going to display. And yeah, so it's now that we have fill out this page, how you can design this type of page. And you know, our home page, it work in the same way. You can do the same thing on your home page or on the about page. So how you can redesign it and add something that you really want is you just click on it, click on any one of these. If you want to change this image, I will just click on it, and you will see the image will change, will show display here. I just need to click on it. So once I click on it, it will pop up. Then I can select any one of the image here. I can say, okay, because our website is about learning something, I can just put something really different. So I just want it to match with the food things that we are trying to create here. So we are not creating a website about food, it's just a tutorial. So I'm going to select this food, and I'm going to click on insert. And so this is the image that will display here. So because the image is a small image, so we are going to delete the image and add something at least big. So we are going to look a larger image. Let us see, I think this one is large. So we are going to insert this. So as you can see, I think this one is large too, but it's not enough. You can see it's kind of a little bit smaller. So we are going to click on this section again and delete that, and you can just do it continuously until you find something that you really like, something that you want to work with. So that is how you can do that. So we are going to leave it just like it is, and we can just leave everything here. So if you want to drag in text inside it, you just need to click here and click on this icon here. You can see this icon at the top here, click on it. So once you click on that, if you want to display anything inside the image, you just need to do something like this and drag it and put it at the top. And let me say you can just drag this and put it at the top here. If you want to say something like you can just do something here, like write something. You can just write welcome about. You can just write about us. About us. You can just put something like that. For example, this is just for example of something I'm just trying to show you, that you can add anything on the page. So I will just remove this, because since you already know that you can add things, I will just click on delete. And so to delete, you just need to click on this icon here, just click on it, and you have to press it on your computer, copyright, and you click on delete. Immediately you see that this image will delete. So that is how you can delete things on your website. And as you can see about us here, to change all those content, you just need to click on it. So once you click on it, it's just a drag and drop, and you can do all those things here. So if you want to add an image on this content, all you just need to do, go to that particular area. Let me say we want to add an image to this area. We just need to click here, and we just need to go to this section that say media, and you will see that a lot of media will display, and you just need to select one of the file or the photo or the image you want to add and click on insert, and you will see that the image will be inserted on that your content. So this is how it will look. It will look weird because you are not putting it at the right place. So you can just like make this content to be at the bottom or make it to be at the top. So this depends on you. I'm just showing you how you can do the things to make it look exactly to what you want. So yeah, that is what you need to do about this session. So we can just bring it down and make it look at least a little bit more okay. And we just click on update, and that is how you can design and make it look to exactly to what you want. So you can add multiple things here. You can, if you want to add things, you just click on this plus icon and you can just drag in anything. If you want to create your own template or add your image, you can just click on this section here and click on one of the plus icon, plus template here. Is kind of, yes, widget, and once you click on that widget, you click on this section here that say that have plus icon, and you can drag in your own image. Let me say you want to drag in a photo there, you can just click it, drag in image, drag the image here and drop the image inside it here, and now you are going to insert image on that file. So click on that area and you just need to insert the image you want to display there. Let me say I want this image to display. I will just click on that and voila, the image is going to be displaying at this section, at this area. So that is how you can do all those things according to how you want it. You can design it to what you really want. So you can click on save and you can select the size of the image, how you want it to display. If you want it in full, you can do that. And if you want it in custom, you can just test custom and put exactly size that you really want. So yeah, and we can just leave it full and we just click on update, and we are going to go and visit our about us page to see how it look. So guys, this is our website, homepage website. If I click on about here, you can see that about us is going to display, and it's going to display this thing that you can see here, which is what we just added. You can see the image we added, the content, the image, and everything. So what I said, if you remember, I told you can do it exactly to what you want. You can redesign everything and make it look yours, make it look to what you really want to do. So yeah, it's very simple. I'm just showing you a tutorial, this kind of a tutorial on how you can do all those things. You can make it look to something, you can create it according to your idea and what you want. So you don't need anyone to do this for you. You can do all those things all by yourself. You don't need anyone to be telling you what you need to do. So I hope you are following what we are doing here. So let us go back again to our dashboard on our website. Let me show you how you can do other things and set some things up on your website. So guys, so we are going to design about us. We have already did homepage and we are did about us, and we are going to do contact us. So if you click on contact us now, it's blank. There is nothing that is displaying on about contact us. So we are going to design contact us page, and so that people can fill out form and send us a message if they want to contact us from our website. So let us go to our dashboard now to design contact us, to create our contact us form. So yeah. So to create our contact us form is to click on plugins. So click on plugins again, and you need to click on add new plugin. Click on add new plugin, and here you are going to search for WP form. So once you search for WP form, you need to find is this one here. Just click on install and click on install. Once you are through installing it, then you just need to click on activate, and your WP form will be activated on your WordPress account. So to make sure that you have your form created on your website, you will see this section on your website that will say forms. So you need to click on form, and you click on this section that say add new. So once you click on this section that say add new form, so you just need to remove all those things you can see at the home page. Just remove everything, remove all those things here. Yeah, remove that and remove this and remove this and remove this, and just remove everything. And you need to click on this section that say add new. So once you click on add new, this form, this WP form will open. So here you are going to enter your the title of your form. You need to call it contact us, and here at the bottom here you are going to see different type of form that you can use or do or create. So we need to use this blank form. We need to make sure we create everything from scratch, and just click on create, and it's going to open the form, and we are going to add what we are going to require people for. We are going to require their names, their first name, last name, their Gmail account, their Gmail, and we are going to ask them the message they want to, what they are contacting us for. So like a text message, that is where they are going to enter the message, the reason why they are contacting us, and we are going to reply them as soon as we see this their message. So that is why we are creating contact form on our website for people to contact you and collaborate with you or do business with you. I don't know what you are into, or they will contact you if they buy your services that they are having problem with, or they want to thank you, or they want to fix some problem, they will contact you. That is why you need to have contact form on your website, and it's very, very important. Google is even recommending it. So yeah, what we can do here now is to click on this section that says standard feed. You can see this section that says standard feed on WP, and on this standard feed you need to click on this section that says name. So just click on it and it will display at it on this section here. You can see it display first name and last name, and you are going to ask them for their Gmail, and you can do that if you want to ask them for their Gmail. You can ask them for their phone number. You can put multiple choice for them to ask for them to make a choice of something, and here you can do add paragraph, add a drop down if you want to do all those things, but all those things is not recommended. Just leave all those things. Ask them for their first name and last name and their Gmail, and you can click on this section that says single text line. Just click on that single text line. So once you click on single text line, it's going to display at the bottom here. I'm going to show you how this will look once we are through creating it. So we are going to call it text message. We are going to click on single text line. So to edit it, all those form is to just click on the section you want to edit. Click on this section, and you are going to call it text message. So we are going to call it text message. So we have it written, and we are just going to click on save. It's very simple, and we don't need to add extra things. I think everything is okay by me. I will just click on save at the top here, and I will click on save again. So you have to pay attention to your Gmail account, because anytime they send you an email is on your Gmail account, you are going to be receiving message. I want you to test it anytime you create a contact form on your website. You need to test it. You need to go to that your website and fill out the form by yourself and send a message to see if the message will be sent to you. And this session, you will see this is the button they are going to be clicking once they want to send you a message. They will click submit and the message will be sent to you. So to get the code of this contact form that we created, to go and paste it on our website, I will show you how you can do that. Click on save if let me say your form did not save, and go back. Let us go back to our our WP dashboard, so that we'll collect the code from WP. So we are going to go to our website homepage again before we go to our WP dashboard. So just leave this page and go to your website. So on your website, click on WP All Forms, and on your WordPress website, you go to WP Forms and you click on All Forms. And here, this is your the forms that you have on your website. Sorry about that. So sorry about that. When you click on All Forms and you click on All Forms again, and you will see the two forms you have. Is this one we are going to copy the code. So you need to copy the code of this first one that say contact us, not that simple contact us form. Just click on this one that say contact us, copy the code here, and go to contact us. So to find your contact us page, you need to go to pages. So when you go to pages here, just click on pages, and you need to click on contact us. On contact us page, click on it to open it. Then you will click on edit with Elementor. So once your contact us page is open for you to edit here, so what you need to do is to click on this section that say edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. just click on edit edit with Elementor. We are just going to wait for Elementor to open properly, then we can paste in that code. So once the WP of once your contact us page have opened, so you can do it in two ways. Like you can do this method in two ways. The first way is that you can click on this icon here and put in this table and set in this table, and you can click on this icon and you can drag in, you can search for code, you can search for short code, and you can drag in short code into this section here. So once you drag in this short code tab, you need to paste in that code you copy from your WP form and paste in that code here. So once you paste in that code and click on enter and click on enter. So we are just going to wait a second and it will display. So let us do it again. And yeah, as you can see, it just displayed. So how to make it look beautiful, and you can do that. As you can see, I think it's okay by me. And if you want to do more work on it, just click on this icon here to edit it. Click this section. So once you click this section, you need to click on advanced, and you can like drag the page, drag it to be more close. Like you see that it's cropping like the wall. You need to make sure it's far a bit from the wall. And yeah, you can bring it to the middle at least a little bit, shift it, just take it left a little bit so that it will come to the front a little bit, at least be at the front end of the middle. And I think it's okay like this. And you just need to click on before you click on update, you can do that just by clicking on update. And if you go to your contact us page now, you see that it will start displaying. And if you want to change the background, what you can do on this in this process is that you can just scroll down a little bit here. You can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you can click on this section that say background, and click on background, and you can change the background here. You can just click on the background and select the color you want to display on the background. Let me just select color. I just need to click here, and you can see a lot of color pop up. Let me see if I want green or if I want blue. If I click on blue now, it will display in just a second. Let me click on blue. As you can see now, the contact us form is showing blue, and we can change the text of the contact us form to white or to any color we want. It's just by following the instruction at the bottom here. How you can do that, I will show you in just a second how you can change all those things. So if you want to change the text of those content, you just need to click on this section that say this section here. Sorry about that. Let me show you how you can do that. You click on advanced. Just wait in a second. I'll show you how you can change the color text. So you can see that the background have changed. So to change the text, so to make it white, you just need to click on this section here. Click on this tab. So when you click on this tab here, you just need to scroll down a little bit. Just scroll down at the left side, and you click on typography. Click on typography. You can see the color of the text. You can change it to the color you want. You can just make it to something like white, and you will see that everything is looking now beautiful. So what we can do now is to change the background again back to white. So what we can do now is to click on this section to change the background to back to white. We can click here again and go back to background. So we'll just go down, down, down. We just need to go down and click on background. So we need to make sure we change the background back to white. Sorry about that, this is not background. We are looking for background. Okay, here background is here, and we need to click on background. Click on background, and you can change the background now back to white, and you will see what will happen when we change the background back to white. So we are going to look back and take the background back to white. Let me say we take the background back to white. You see that the text is have disappeared, so you cannot find the text. So to fix this situation, then you need to go back to this section. Click on this menu here, this icon, this dot. So once you click on that dot, you need to come down, just scroll down to the text tab. Come down again, click on typography. and scroll down, you will see the text color, and you can click on the text color and you can make it something like black. So you can see now the text color is okay. So this is exactly what we want. And if we want to change the background overlay, we can do that. Just click here and we can change the background overlay to something very different. We can say, okay, we want it to be something like this or something like blue. We can just decide of how we want it to look. So it's something like this, but we just need to leave everything as white. So we don't need anything to do again here because they can see the contact form. So now we have our contact form created. We just need to click on update and we are going to go and refresh our website to see if our contact form is working. Click on update and let us go to our website to see if it's working. As you can see on our website now, we have our contact us form is working. So we have our contact us form set, we have about us set, we have homepage set. So you already know now how you can set up your contact form, how you can set up about you, how you can set up your homepage. So you already know how you can really design everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to show you now how you can design your website, make it look to something that you really want. So let us go back to our website homepage, and you have to design your website homepage to look exactly what you really want. So we are going to dig into the designing part on this video. So let us go back now to our WordPress dashboard, and once we are through designing that, and I will show you how you can remove this thing that is showing at the bottom here. You put your own details at the bottom, your privacy policy and terms of use, and you can add other pages you want at the bottom here. You remove this extra WordPress that you are seeing at the bottom here. We will remove it and you will put yours. So I will show you how you can do that, and I will show you how you can add a registration form on your website. So when people visit your website, they can register and you will have their information. So I will show you all those things, and I will show you how you can create your terms of condition and privacy policy content. If you don't have time to create that, I will show you how you can create that for free. So they have a software, that AI software, that can generate this for you. I will show you on this video. So let us go and design the website again to look exactly to what we want, and before we go to other steps on this video. So once you're on your WordPress dashboard, to go to your website home menu, you need to click on this section that say, you click your website name here and you click on this section that say visit site. And once you click on that, it will take you to your WordPress website, and here you will find your website. You can see that this is how your website look now. So you have your beautiful website created, and by just adding a template. So now I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your website, make it look exactly to what you want, and redesign it to look exactly to what you want. So it's what I'm going to show you on this part. So you need to watch this carefully. So to start now, what you need to do now is to click on this section that say edit with Elementor. But before you click on edit with Elementor, I want to tell you that you need to really pay attention to this part, because this is where you are going to redesign your website and make it look to what you want, so that people will be able to focus on what you are creating on your website. So let us get started. I will click on edit with Elementor. I'll click on that. So it's going to take us to our page builder. So now that you are on your website, on your page builder, which is Elementor, so now we are going to redesign everything, make this website to look like exactly to what we want. So what we need to do now is to start designing the website. So you can click on this section here. So to remove any part of this video or of this session, you can see where they wrote an experience. So you can just click on this section, click on it. So once you click on it, you can see that you can remove it and put exactly what you want. You can put something very simple like website learner. Something very simple, website. You can just put something very simple, website learn, and it will display website learn. And here you can see on this section, we will remove this image that is displaying on top, this one here. So we are going to remove this. We are going to remove this. Just click on it. Click on this to delete. All you just need to do is to click on this icon that you can see here. Just click on it and it will remove everything. So we are going to remove this image here. So to remove the image, we need to click on this icon here. You can see the icon is a little bit little. You can see it. You just need to click on it. So once you click on it here, and you click on style, and you click on this section here, and you can turn it to what you want. As you can see this image here, or what you can do here, you can click on this section. If you see that you cannot remove the image through that way, you can click on this icon here. So once you click here, it will bring you to this tab you can see here. So all you just need to do now is to click on that, and you can see the image here. This is the image that you can see here. So to remove the image, you just need to click this section again, and you can add something that you really want to display there. And let us add this black image here. We want that to display, and we just need to click on that, and voila. So that is what is going to be displaying before this test. And yeah, so if you want to change this content, just click on the content, and you are going to paste in what you want to display here. We can just say let me quickly write something very simple here. So like I said, click here, and you can see what I wrote here. I wrote we learn how to create website without how to create website. And you can see what I wrote here. I wrote we learn about how to create website and create website for free, and is without coding skills. So yeah, and this is what is going to display when people visit on my website. And yeah, so what I need to do now is to make sure that the website is not just popping out, like just flowing up and down, that floating that you are seeing. So to stop that thing, and for this to be visible, because you can see that it's a little bit tiny and people cannot really see it. If it's people who have eye problem, they cannot really see that. We are going to change the fonts. So to change the fonts, we need to click on this section here. This is style, and click on typography. Click on typography, and you can see the font is Inter. So click on the font. The fonts I like so much is called Poppins. It's Poppins. I love Poppins, is my favorite font. So you can just search for Poppins. So this is Poppins. Is the fonts me I love using. I will just click on that, and the color, we can just make it more darker. We can just look for, yeah, the color is in dark, and we can center it to left or at the middle, but we can just leave it at the left. It's more better at the left, so you can decide how you want it to look. And that is what you can do there. You already know now. You see the way I just did it, design and add those tests on my website. That is how you can add it. And if you want to add some tests at the bottom, all you just need to do, click on this icon here. Just pay attention. Click on this icon, and you can drag in any header text. Let me see, you want to put an header below this content. You can just put that header there, and you can just put a word. Let me say we can just put without coding in capital letter. We can just put without sorry, it's not in capital. Let us just leave it like that. Without coding. You can just put something like that, without coding. And yeah, so we can put something like this, without coding, and that is it. So you have that created. And how you can change the color, you can just click on typography again, and click on typography just like we did, and I click on the text, and I can just say, okay, I want something more, like I need lighter blue. So I can just bring it here and bring it to this blue here. And I can say, okay, I want it to be something like this. I can just bring it here, and you can see without coding is showing where now. So I can just click it again, just click that again, and you need to click on typography and change the fonts to Poppins. You see is in a Roboto, so we need to change the fonts to Poppins. We don't need Roboto. Poppins, Poppins. Need to change it to Poppins, and Poppins is there. So the fonts now have been changed to Poppins, and yeah, so that is how you can add that. So to change this, the color of this text you can see at the top here. So for us to change it again, we just need to click on it and click on style and click on it here again, and we can bring it to that color that we really want, that dark or this type of blue that we just added to the second one, and we can just come here like this, and we can just bring it so that it will look the same. There will not be different between the colors. So if you match your colors, you can just click on save and update, and now you have this on your website now. So what you need to do again, you can scroll down and change all those other parts of the website. You can just remove them. If you want to remove this part, you can just click here and you click on remove, and here again you can click here again. If you want to remove all those pages, you can remove them. Just click on it and you remove the cancel icon here. You can click here again too, and you click on this, you click and it will remove. So you can see now this is only what is displaying on your website now. So this is how your website look currently right now. So to add pages by yourself and how to drag and drop and make sure everything you are doing it by yourself is you need to pay attention on this part. So to do it by yourself, you need to click on this part here, and let us change the background of this content to white, because the background is showing something we don't really want. So you already know how to change the background. Click on this icon here. So once you click on this icon at the top here, then you need to go to this section and just scroll down. You can see background overlay. Click on it. Click on this section that says background overlay, and click on type, and you need to click on this section and you need to look for white. Let us go and put the white color. You can just see something like this. So at least it will look more better than before. So what we can do, let us change that, because you can see it's covering the text. So we are going to remove that because we don't want that to be creating problem. So let me show you how you can do this. To change this background, you can see here. Let me show you how you can do that. So guys, let us go and visit our website to see how it look. Let us go and see. So as you can see, guys, this is now our website. We'll make it a little different. You can see what I just wrote, like website design, website learner, and at the bottom I wrote learn about how to design and create website for free and is without coding skills. And at the bottom here I write without coding. So yeah, so this is how you can really do this. And let us go back again to our WordPress dashboard, where we are designing it from our Elementor page builder. So as you can see here now, you can add multiple things here. So to add things at the bottom, all you just need to do, you can add more things on this place. So let me say you want to add some text at the top or at the bottom. So all you just need to do, click on this icon. You will see this thing at the left bar here. You will see it at the left here. So all you just need to do, you can see spacing, you can see video elements, you can see, let me say you want to add a video to your page. You want a video to be displaying. All you just need to do here now is to click on this plus icon. To add anything, you just need to click on this page, that plus icon, and you click on this plus icon again, and you need to add this table. Click on this table here, which is the structure, and here now you need to click back this. You can click here, or you just need to click this plus sign here that you can see at the top here. Click on that plus sign, it will be more better. And you need to drag, let me say you want to drag a video to your website. You just need to put this video template there and drag it element and put it inside. And here now you will see that the video will start displaying here. So this is the video that will be displaying once people start visiting this your website. So what we can do here now is to, let's also see if we want to add some things to this page. We want the video to play at the left and text at the other side. So what we can do again, click on this icon here, and you can see a section that say normally you are supposed to find a section that will say plus, but if you cannot find that section, you can do one thing that anyone can do, is to go back again, just cancel this, and you need to remove this, or you can do it on this section here. So if you cannot do it in that way, you can do it on this section. You can click on this icon here. So once you click on that element, you will see, you say add a new column. You could click on plus. So you can see now that you have shift the video one side, and now this is your main actual place where you can add articles or anything that you want to add to your website. So let me say you want to add something. You just need to click on the plus sign here, plus this plus, click on this plus icon, and you need to drag in a text. You just need to drag in this text here, and here you are going to enter your articles. You can decide how you want the articles to display. And remember, I told you, you click on style to go and add fonts. You can add it at the middle, center it. If you want it at the left, want it at the top, you can do that. Just, okay, let us say want it to be at the left. Click on left, and the alignment, make sure you set it as exactly to what you want. And here on the color, you can decide, like, let me say you want it to be black. Just click on this icon, the color that you have saved. You can just come here, let me say this black one. We can just click on that. You can see it's displaying well. And click on typography here. Once you click on typography, click on family, which is the fonts. What I say again is Poppins I'm using. You can choose the fonts that you want to use. I'm using Poppins. So as you can see, it looks good now. So if I remove this section here, let us view and see how it looks. So this is how our website will look. It looks a little bit somehow, but I'm just showing you how you can redesign the website and make it look exactly to what you want. So to bring it back again, click on this icon to bring your builder page back, and you can remove this by just clicking on this cancel icon. And once you click on that, it will disappear. And at the bottom here, you can just come and add many things that you really want to add. So to add things, just click on this section here and click on, let me say you want to add things with 2 elements, you can just do that. Or you want to add a text, you can just click here, and you can just copy and paste things here. If you don't have time, if you are writing articles, just copy and paste, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on this element here and click on plus, and we'll drag in the text on the element here and the structure. And here I'm going to add the select the fonts and everything. So I'm going to do that. And at the top here, I'm going to add in another thing, which is the header. I'm going to click on this plus icon again. I'm going to add one structure and click on that to add in that structure. And what I'm going to do here again, I'm going to click on this plus icon. So once I click on this plus icon, I'm going to add a header to that place. So I'll click on header and leave it there. And I'm going to go to this color to save this color that I'm using on this website. So I'm going to go to this my code without coding, and I'm going to save this color. So what I'm going to do to save it, I will just click on this plus icon, and I will call it color lane. I will click on create, and so that I will be using the color for all headers I'm going to be using to create this website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back here again. I'm going to go to style. I'm going to come down again, go to color, and I'm going to go to that color which I named learner, a new learner. So as you can see now, it matched this and it can match these too. So that is how you can save color, so that to save you time. So here I'm going to enter a content. I'm going to enter a content here, which is create website fast. Create website. Sorry about that. Create website fast. And yeah, so I will just write that, and at the bottom here, I can decide how I want it to display. Maybe at the middle, I can just click here and put it at the middle. And yeah, so I can do one thing which is very beautiful that anyone can do. You can go to this section again and go to typography, which is what I told you, and you can click on fonts, and you can put it to pop-ins, which is what I'm using all the time. And I could just click on pop-ins, and you can see, and you can go to transformer, you can go to transform, and you can do it capitalize the letters. You can see I've capitalized all the beginning of the each letters, and that is what I want for the header of the website, of the content I'm creating on this my website. So at the bottom here, I'm going to add a content. Just wait in a second. So I'm going to copy and paste my content. So guys, now that I've written the article, so what you need to do is to add an image to the article. So to add an image, you just need to click like you want to type in something on the content section, and just scroll down, shift the button down, and bring the tab here back again, like you want to tap things, and click on media, and you need to click on file. Select the image that you want to, or you can just click on this section that says free image. We are going to use free image from Pizza Bay on WordPress, which is very good. So we are also going to allow that to load up. So we are going to import this image, and we are going to click on insert, save and insert, and it's going to save and insert the image. So we are going to click on insert tool. So it will display here. So as you can see, it looks beautiful, and yeah, I love it, and I love what I'm seeing. So it look good. So what I'm going to do again is to drag the text, at least take it up because it's too far from the image. I think it's okay like this. So we are going to open another session again. Click on this plus icon and scroll down and add one element here. So what we are going to do now, we are going to add an image that will cover all the sessions here. So we are going to click on that session and add an image, or we can add a video. And yeah, so we can just do that. Click on this image and drag it inside here. So once we drag the image inside here, so what we are going to do now is to click on add image, and we are going to click on this section that says free image. So once we click on that section that says free image, so we are going to search the type of image we are looking for, and let us wait for everything to open properly. We can select an image we want to display on our website. Let me look around and see. Let me see something. I think I like something like this. Oh, where is that image? Where is that image? Let us scroll down a little bit. I saw something I like. I think it just disappeared. Yeah, is this here? It's disappearing all the time. So I think I would like something very unique and beautiful. So I think I like something like this. So I will download this and I will import the image. So it's just going to be imported immediately. So this is going to be added to our website, and what we are going to do is to click on this plus icon again and click on this add a structure section and click on the plus icon here. So once you click on the plus icon, we are going to drag in a test session here, and we click on that test session, and here we are going to paste in our content here. So we are going to paste in our content, paste, and yeah, we have pasted our content, and we are going to duplicate this content to make it look more beautiful. So we are going to scroll down a little bit. So I think it's okay here. We are going to remove that and put it in capital letter, and I think it's okay like this. So we are going to bring it down a little bit and paste in the articles again. I'm just going to do that in a second. Just wait. So as you can see, we have duplicated the articles. This is just for an example for you to get idea of what you can create on your website so that you can add content and drag it things and remove things. You don't need to do coding. Everything is 100% free. I hope you are learning something on this video. If you find it interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, now you have this cool easy website. So it's very simple to do. You already know now how you can do all those things. And if you find it interesting, please again hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is what I need to talk about on this part. So we are going to move to this other part. But before we move to the other part, let us save and view the website and see how it looks. So let us click on that and wait for it to update. So once it's okay, we can see what we just created. So now we are going to refresh our home page here. We are going to refresh our website to see how it looks. As you can see, it's refreshing now. We are going to see our website now. So as you can see, guys, it looks very simple and beautiful. I think it's okay by me. I just did it just for idea of something that you can do, and just to teach you that you can go and create your website in a very simple way. All you just need is just a strategy and what to do. You just need to know what to do and what you need to remove and how you can do it. That is why I'm making this video. It's not to design a website, but I'm just showing you how you can do your own, can go and do the things by yourself. Just show you where you will go to find a particular things, and if you have problem, how to fix it. So that is the purpose of this video. I hope you are learning something from it. So yeah, that is things I need to talk about, how you can really do this on your website and how you can remove this. At the bottom you can see this thing that says powered by Astra Teams blah blah, and I will show you how you can remove that now. So guys, once you're on your home menu, which is your dashboard on your WordPress account, you just need to click on this section that says pages. So when you click on pages, you need to once you click on pages, you need to click on the pages that you want to create first. Privacy policy. Click on privacy policy here. Privacy policy page. So once you click on privacy policy page here, so all you just need to do now, let us move to how you can create and how you can generate your privacy policy page. So we just need to move to that step. So guys, when you click there's a link in the description. When you click on the link will say super tools. So when you click on the link, it will bring you to this guy website, which is Super Tools. On this website, you will find this tool that you can use to generate privacy policy and terms of condition. So what you can do here is to click this section that says privacy policy generator. Click on it. So we are going to create our privacy policy from this website. We just need to enter our website name and URL, and it will generate privacy policy for us. We'll copy and go and paste it on our website. So what you can do here now is to enter our website name here, and we'll enter our website URL. So I'm going to enter my website name and URL. So once I have entered the website name and URL here, you can see our website name is here and the URL is here. We just need to click on generate. Click on this section that says generate, and it's generating our privacy policy and terms and condition for us. Our privacy policy. So after that, we'll do the same for the terms of use, which is the terms of condition. So we are just going to wait. It says generating privacy policy. You can see that at the bottom here. So we are just going to wait for it to generate it for us. Just be patient. Sometimes it will prompt this just to verify that you are a real human being, you are not a robot. Just verify the captcha and you will click on generate again. So just verify this captcha and click on generate. So as you can see, it have just generated our privacy policy. You can see this is now our privacy policy and terms and condition. Because we cannot do that, so as you can see, everything have been generated for us. We just need to copy and go and paste it on our privacy policy on our website. So all we just need to do now is to copy everything, type in here and copy everything. Copy everything to the bottom. So we are going to come to our privacy policy page here, and we are going to paste in the articles. So what we need to do now is to paste in the content articles we copied, the privacy policy generator that we just generated. So we have pasted everything. So what we can do now is to make sure everything is centered. So to make sure everything is centered, what you can do is to just click on this tab here, and you have to click on tools so that you can copy everything. And yeah, so once you are through with that, you can center all your articles. So once you have centered everything, you will just click publish, and the first article, which is privacy policy, have just been updated. So we are going to move to the terms of use, which is what we are going to generate next. So we are just going to go back to that same website and click on terms of use, which is terms of condition, and we are going to do the same thing. So what we are going to do, click on the same page again, this web tools, click on it, and click on the terms of condition generator. So click on that and wait for it to open. So as you can see, it just opened. We are going to enter our website name here. We are going to enter our website name and enter the URL of our website again for the terms of use, and pasting that. I will just do pasting to just fasten the work. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the HTTP something. I'm going to remove that. And I think all is okay here. I think all is okay. And so once it's okay, we are just going to click on generate, just like we did. And you will verify the capture again, and you will see that the articles have just been generated. If you scroll down, let us see. Oh, he's asking us for the capture again. We are just going to click that to verify the capture again. And once it's done, you just need to click on generate, and the articles will be generated. So as you can see, we just generated the terms of use. So all we just need to do now is to copy the articles, and to just click on that and click on tools, which is everything, and click on copy. Yes, copy, and go to our website now, which is terms of use page. We are going to our terms of use page, which is not this. Our terms of use. Let us go to our website, to our terms of use page. So as you can see, we have our terms of use created, and we just need to click on update here. We just need to click on update for you to save our page, which is our terms of use. That is the things that you need to have on your website. So once you have that created, let us go and make sure that the terms of use and privacy policy is displaying below on our website, on the footer of our website. So to do that, let us go to our website dashboard. So we need to click on this session and go back to our website dashboard. So to display your privacy policy and terms of use on your website, you just need to click on appearance, click on menus. So once you click on appearance, you click on menus. So you need to create your footer menus. You don't have a mega menu on your footer, so we need to create one. We need to click on this section. You will see say edit your menu below, or create a new menu. So we need to click on this one, and that says create new menu. So click on create new menu. Say don't forget to save your changes. And once you click on that, so what is going to happen here is that it's going to be a footer menu. So we are going to call it footer main menu. Call it footer main menu, and we are going to send it to footer. So now it's on footer menu, and yeah, we are just going to click on save, create menu, and yeah, just click on this section, create menu, and once you click on that, it's going to create a menu for us. So now we are going to have our footer main menu, And now what we can do now is to select. You can see that we have main menu. If we click here now, we have the primary main menu and we have a footer menu. So we are going to click on footer menu and we are going to select privacy policy and terms of use and privacy policy, and we are going to add it to our website. So click on that and click on that. So as you can see, this is what is going to be displaying at the bottom of our website. So we have the privacy policy and the terms of use. So we are going to drag the privacy policy at the top and put the terms of use at the bottom. So what we can do now is to click on save. You can create multiple menus if you want to, but that is the more important menus that you have to create on your website. So once you have created that menu, so it will be displaying at the footer of your website. So let us go and see how it's displaying on our website footer. So to see if it's displaying on the footer at the footer of your page, but first we need to do some customization on our footer. We need to click visit site and we'll click on customization, which will show customize, which is this one here. Click on customize. Let us wait for it to open properly. So once the page is open, you need to click on this section that say footer builder. Click on that section. So once you click on footer builder here, you are going to click on this section that say design. Click on design and you can see, you can set the padding and the widget of your site. And to add things, you just need to click on these icons here. You can see there's icons. You can just click on any one of them here and it will open up a tab. You click on general and at the bottom, I think at the bottom you can add things. So to add things, you just need to click on any of the section here. So you can just click on any area here and you can insert your footer at the bottom here. You can set it at footer 1 or footer 2, but we can set this as footer 1. What you can do, you can see a footer menu. You just need to click on that and I think it has been set to our website. Let us see if it's displaying. But before we see, we are just going to click on save and publish. So let us click on save and publish. Let us go and check our website to see if it's displaying or not. So let us go down. You can see that our footer menu at the bottom is showing, our footer menu at the bottom is showing the footers we created. You see our privacy policy and terms of condition. So if we click on any one of them here, it's going to take us to our privacy policy and you can see our privacy policy content here. So you can see everything about our privacy policy on the screen here. So if you want to remove this sidebar, you can do that. I will show you later. Just wait in a second. So if you scroll down again, let us scroll down and try to click on the second one, which is the terms of use. I click on terms of use again to see if it will display. Let us see if it's working. Voila, so everything is working. So I'm going to show you how you can make this your privacy policy and terms of use to display in full, not with this sidebar. So we are going to remove this sidebar. So how to do that? Let us go back to our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard, to remove this sidebar on our terms of use page. So once you land on your dashboard here, click on pages. And once you click on pages, it will open all the pages. You need to select the privacy policy. I'm going to show you how to do it on the first one, which is where it says privacy policy, which is this one, the privacy policy. I will click on that to remove the sidebar that is on it. So I will just click on it for the moment. Just click on it for it to open properly. So to set it up, once it opens like this, what you can do is to click on this astra icon here. Click on this astra icon and you will see this section that says layout sidebar. You can just click on customize settings and you say no sidebar. So at the bottom here you see a content layout. You can just click on content layout and you say full weight, and you can click on update. So once you do that on the privacy policy, we are going to do the same thing on the terms of use again. So we are just going to go back and click on terms of use and do the same thing. So as you can see, guys, this is our terms of use page 2. We are just going to click on the sidebar here and click on no sidebar. and we have to click on this section that say content layout, and we click on full weight, and yeah, we can just click on update, and that is everything we need to do. Let us go and visit us to see if anything is displaying at the sidebar again. Let us go and see. So as you can see, guys, so everything is displaying in full. So we have all the page for our privacy policy, and the terms of condition is the same thing. Let me just scroll down and see on the terms of this is the privacy policy, the terms of use, and we click on privacy policy, and we are going to refresh the privacy policy page to see. So as you can see, this is our privacy policy page now. Is in the same way like the terms of use page. So we have everything set. So everything is in full. Our content will display once our visitors come to our website now. So everything is okay. So you know how you can create your privacy policy and terms of use page now for free. So you don't need to pay anyone to write content for you. You have a generator that will help you from H Super Tools, where I showed you how you can do that. So that is from this part, and we are going to move to the part on how we can create a registration part. But before we move to the registration part, you will see that your website is showing index here. It's supposed to be showing www.lenayugospower.com/privacy policy, but it's showing php is showing that. So we are going to make sure it's not showing that. So to set this problem is to go to your WordPress account dashboard. So we are going to go back. So to make sure it's not showing index.php, you need to click on settings. So click on this section that say permalinks, and you scroll down here. You can see is in custom structure. So that is why it's showing an index. You can see that here. So we are going to click on post name. You can see if we click on post name here, it's going to be showing www.lenayugospower.com/ the post that we wrote. So we are just going to click on that post name. Make sure it's on post name. So we click on save. So let us wait for it to save. So now that we have saved this, when we go back again, let us go back to our website. You can see that on our website is showing /index.php, and if I refresh it now, it will be showing /privacy policy. This is really good. It will not make the link to look crappy, and it will be very beautiful. If you look at other websites, is what they are doing. So now our page just refreshed. As you can see now is www.lenayugospower.com/privacy policy, and that is all. So this is how we want our website to look like. So we are through with this part on how to set this problem. So I'm going to show you now how you can set up a registration part where people can register on your website and follow the instruction of what you are promoting on your website. So how can you get that registration part on your website? How people can register on your website? You can collect their email, collect their information, and yeah. So I'm going to show you that part on how you can do that. So once you're on your website, the first thing you need to set up for people to be able to register on your website, the first thing is for you to allow this. Go to your settings, click on settings on your WordPress dashboard. Click on settings here. So once you click on settings, you will see this section. You will see allow anyone can register. So you have to make sure this is checked and click on it. And at the bottom here, you can select any type here, but make sure you select subscriber because that is who they are. They are subscribing to your website and they are registering for a particular reason. And yeah, it's a subscriber they are. Click on the subscriber and just scroll down. Just scroll down and click on Save Changes. So once we are through with this, we'll move to the step on how we can install this plugin that will allow us to register any users on our website. So later I will show you how you can do something that is on our website. I know most of you have seen it, but I will show you how you can do that, how you can solve this problem. So yeah, and so let us now go to plugins. Just go to plugins to install this plugin that will allow us to register any user on our website. So what we need to do now, but the first thing we need to do is to create a page. We need to create our register page and our login page. So we need to make sure we create those pages, but we need to install the plugin first. Let us go and install the plugin before we create the page. So guys, to add a user registration on your website, you need to click on plugins. So once you click on plugins, you click on add new. So once you click on add new, what you need to do here is very simple. Just follow my step. I hope you are enjoying it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So just click on this section and search for WP User Manager. Search for WP User Manager and you will see this plugin that will pop up. Yes, so you see this plugin that will pop up. You need to install it. So once you have installed it, you just need to click on activate. So once you do this, this plugin will automatically create your register page, login page, and other pages that it will create on your pages section here. So what we need to do now, the first thing is to set up this this page. So what the first thing is to come to this section that say user, and you click on user here. So once you click on user, you just need to click on settings. When you click on user, you need to click on settings. So it's showing me this, but because I'm logging, that is why you see it's showing all those things here. But I'm just going to click on user, and you click on settings at the bottom. So on the plugin. So once you click on that, what you need to do, the first thing is to do the settings. So we just need to do the settings. Let us wait for everything to open properly. So let us do the settings, and as you can see, all those pages have been created for us. So I will show you where they are on the on your website, but we just need to leave everything as it is. And you need to click on this section that say login, and here you are going to see you say log access to WP login PHP. If you want to log this, you can just make this enable, and it will be locked. And if you want to allow login users to access it, to be doing like let me say for example, they can use login with their username or password. You can just do only username, or you do only email, or you do username and username or password. And if you are okay with that, you can click that and click on save. So if you agree with that, you click on save. And yeah, that is that session. And the redirection, so you can click on this session that say redirect. And what is happening here is that you see, after logging in, where do you want the users to where do you want them to be prompt? So you can click here and you can select, let me see, you can select account where you want them to land. If you want them to land on your profile, you can set account. And you can see when log out, where do you want the users to prompt. You can go and look for home page, the home page. Let me look for the home page here. You can just click on home page, so it will prompt them to the home page. So after the register, where do you want them to prompt in? You want them to prompt the session where they have to register, log in. You click on login and you click on save changes. And once you are through with this profile settings here, and yeah, once you are through with this, you can click on profile. When you click on profile here, you can enable this disable user profile. If you want to do that, you see allow guests to view a profile. Yeah, you can do this. It's optional. You can do that if you want. This just depends on you. I'm just showing you what you can do here, but you have to think about it very well. And say custom avatar. So on this section, you allow users to add avatar to their profile when they create an account from your website. And on this section, you say disable profile cover image. You can do this, enable it, or you can leave it optional. Or on this section again, say disable strong password, and enable, say you can enable this option if you want. Say disable strong password and display name. So you can select the name you want to display, username, first name, last name, or you want to display first name and last name, or you want to display last name and first name. So you just choose what you want to display here. And for me, I want to display the username. So I will just click on save changes. So I hope you are following the instruction of how you can do the settings here. So to see the pages, all you just need to do, you need to click on this section that say add new. So to see the pages that have been created for you. So once you click on that add new here, you can and fill out all those information. If you want to add user, like so you want to give access to anyone to uh, on your website, you can just come here, create account for the person, and it will be sent to then you can send the login details to the person. So that is what you need to do there. So for the registration form, you can just click on this section, registration form. Click on this registration form here. You can see it at the bottom. So when you click on registration form, it's going to pop up and show you the registration form that you already have, which is the default form that came that came with this website. What you need to do, you can just click on this edit form title, and you can just remove this and put registration, and you remove the form. Just put registration and click on save. So once you are through with that, then we need to go to this step again. What you need to do, click on this customize form, this section here, customize form, click on it. So once you click on customize form, all the things that you will ask users will display here. You can see the default form is asking for just only email and password. So we are going to ask for username, and we can ask for first name and last name. This depends on you if you want to. If you don't want, you can just leave that. So once you are okay with this, what you need to do again, just everything is saved automatically. You don't need to do anything. So you can click on settings here. When you click on these settings here, so it's going to tell you role, say registration role, so subscriber only. And if you will say role, allow role session, you can click this for a subscriber to choose who you want to what you want to be on your website: editor, author, contributor, subscriber, and author or editor. You can just choose anyone here, but you don't need to do this because this can really harm your website. So you just need to leave it like this. Make sure everything is just as it is here, and click on save without touching anything here. Don't just touch anything. So that is what you need to do here. So once you are through with this, then we need to move to the section how you can set up all those pages that have been generated by this website, which is WP User Manager. So how you can find all those pages, you need to click on pages. We didn't create it, everything is automatically created for us. So what we need to do now is to make sure all those pages is working. So to make sure all those pages is working, we need to click on appearance. So click on appearance here and click on menus. So when you click on menus here, what will happen is that all the pages will display here. So you need to take this section that says register and login. So take these two sections here and click on add. So once you click on that two section and you click on add, you need to scroll down and click on register. So when you click on register, just click on this icon on register. You need to select I see display display to. So you can do display to anyone, or you can do display to only person that is logged only person that is logged out. So you can just who will see this register on your website is the people that is not logging, people that is not logging. So we can just leave it on everyone on for the register tab. And the second one, which is login, we can just do that to only user that is logging. We can do that to the person, only the user that is logging. So this depends on you. So but for this register, I'm going to do this for only the person that is logged out. So I'm going to do logout user. So it will be display. This will display to only the person that is logging out. While this one, which is login, it will be showing to the people that is logging and people that is log out. So that is what I need to show you here. And what you need to do again, just scroll down and click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, so it will now start displaying on your website. So we are going to go to our website, so you will see what we have done. And yeah, so if I open this tab now, so this is our website. You can see at the top here, at the right menu here, you can see that there is no menu. But if you refresh it now, so we are refreshing the page. We are going to refresh the page again. We are just going to click on refresh. So as you can see, I have refreshed the page, so it just opened, and this is how it now look. You can see the registration register here, and you can see login. So when I click on register here, it will pop up this page, and it will pop up the form to fill before you click on register, and you accept the terms and condition and privacy policy, and you register your account. And if you have registered your account, you click on login here. Here now you can now enter your login details. You can click on login. So once you click on login, it will log you into your account if you have already logged in before. Because I have my account, that is why you see that it just logged me into my account, and it's telling me say you are currently logging, John, and view your profile and account settings. But if you don't want to go through this, you just click on view account profile. You can view your profile, and you will see, let me click on view profile here. You will see that it will display all my information, and if I click on account, you will see all the information. And yeah, that is the things you need to know about adding the registration form on your website. So I hope that this really help you on this tutorial. So if it don't help you, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if I click on home now, it will take me to the home page of the website, so which is this. And to log in again, you click on login. To log in, click on register. It will register your account. So that is how you can register your that is how you can allow users that visit your website to register on your website and get their details, and they will buy anything that you are offering from your website. So that is the things I need to talk about. So we are going to go into details on how we can still redesign our website, make it look more beautiful before we end this video. So we are at the end of this video. So we are going to go to our WordPress dashboard to edit the website again a little bit before we end this video. And yeah, to redesign our website again, we need to click on our website here and click on visit site. So when we click on visit site, what it's going to do is going to take us to our website homepage here. So what we are going to do next is to just click on edit with Elementor at the top here. Click on edit with Elementor. It will take you to Elementor page builder. So we are going to do some editing on our website to see again how it will look. So as you can see, it just opened. So you just need to scroll down a little bit. So I just removed those template that we added that is at the bottom. I have removed them. So we are going to add new template. Click on this further icon for you to select your template from this page, from this template file that Elementor have created for everyone to use. What you can do here, when you land on this page, you click on blogs. You can click on this section, select any page template you want to like to see. So if I click on the call to action, you will see this is a template of call to action. You can just select any one. I like this one. I will just click on this one to install this. So I will just click on insert. So it's going to insert this to my website, and as you can see, it just inserted that and is at the bottom here. So what we need to do is just to be patient for everything to open properly, and I'm going to show you how you can really redesign everything. So as you can see, this is how the page, this is how it really look on our website currently right now. So if we just do something like cover this and see how it look, you can see that like is kind of big. So we need to make sure we really make everything look exactly to what we want. So to do that, we just need to click on this part again to redesign this and make it look beautiful. So what we can do here now is to reduce the size of this content. So to do that, we need to take it to header 1 and make it header 1, and we need to reduce the content size. To reduce the content size, you need to come to this section that says style, click on style, and you can change the color. You let us change the color. We can say, okay, we want the color to be something like this one that we have here, and we can go to typography, which is this section. You can click on font family, click on font family, and click on Poppins. We want Poppins as the font family, and the content size, we can reduce it. We can reduce it to something very, very simple, or we can make it something like this. We can just reduce it to something very, very simple, or we can just do something very different. And or what we can do here now is to make everything look good because it's overlapping. What we can do on this session is to you can see this section that say our story. We can do something. Look at what we are going to do here. We are going to drag this and put it at the bottom. So we are going to drag this here and bring it down. So we are going to drag this and bring it down here. Just wait and watch what I'm going to do. So because everything is too overwhelmed, what we can do here is to drag it and bring it to the bottom. So let us do that. And just click on it over here and drag it down. Drag it a little bit down and leave it. Drag it down and leave it at the bottom. When it don't work, you just need to scroll your mouse down and click on this plus icon to add a structure. So click on that section there to add one structure there, and what you are going to do now is to drag this down here. So that is what we are going to do. So we are going to drag this. Just wait, we are going to, yes, is this one we need to drag it below here. Just wait, just need to pull that up. Guys, I have dragged the image down. So this, I'm going to click on this column. I'm going to click on that column and remove this column so that I think the image is coming back. So we have to remove this section that say our story. We can remove that, can delete this, and we can do something again that we heard that it said about our story. We can do something again, and we can do something like, we can remove this woman here. Just click on that just to make everything look cool. So we are just going to remove this content section here again. Click on delete, and we are going to remove this column too. Just remove this column. As you can see, the text is now looking good. So what we can do here now is to change the text, or we can change the text in this way by just changing the fonts of the text to make it to look good. So we are going to change it to black. Yeah, I think it's looking a little bit good now. We are going to look for ray black. I think this one. Yeah, this one is okay. We have that black. I think it's cool. So we can go and we can center it. We can center the content, but we don't need to. We need to keep it as left to make it look more better. And click on typography again. Click on fonts family that is in default. We need to search for Poppins again. I love that font family. So we can leave everything. You can see the way it's looking beautiful. We just need to click on update. And this is just for example of what you can do on your website. So you can just make it look to exactly to what you want. And if you want to add an image to this content, you can do that, but you need to make sure you resize the image if you are adding an image. Let me say, for example, now, okay, if we want to add image to this content, so what we can do under the content section here, you can see at the bottom we can do something, or on this area that is say let me look for that area. Wait, this area here, we can just do this and bring image here. We can click on add media. We wait for it to open properly, so we can add this woman on that section. So what we can do, we can reduce the image when we add the woman. So as you can see, the woman have landed on the image here. So what we can do now is to remove this woman. If you want to remove it, all you just need to do, you can still come here and click on the woman and click on this cancel icon, you see that the image will be removed. To add another image, you click on it. We can click on free image here, and you can go to search for any image. We can just say you can search for image like computer or any type of image here. So yeah, you can use Pizza Bay that is partnering with powered by Pizza Bay. So what you can do on this place is that you can search for any image. So we don't need time to do that. We just need to select one of the image here. So I'm going to take let me say this image here is really looking good. So I'm going to save and insert. So I think the image is good. So I'm going to enter that image here. I'm going to insert the image. So as you can see, I think our website is now looking good. Yeah, our website is now looking good. So we can change this image here that is showing black. How we can do that is to just click on this section here again. Just click on this tab. Make sure you are on the main menu of the tab, this section here. Click on it and click on style and click on the image. We can just put something that is corresponding to the image we just added. So we can just click on that too, and we wait for the free image tab to open properly, and we now select the image we want to use. So we can just look around. Let me look for something like is related to that image we added. So I can just say, okay, I like this. Let me look for something like okay, I like something like this. Let us, yes, this one is okay. You can just click on that and it will be inserted. So yeah, so this is what is on our website now. So once we are through now, we can click on save here. Just click on save once you are through with the what you did. So once you are through with this now, so we can just scroll down again and you can keep on adding things. So to add things, you just need to click on this plus column and you can add things, and you can change the content, you can change the widget. And if you want to add anything at the bottom of this content, you can just click on this plus icon. You can drag anything. If you need a space between this content, you can just come down here. You can drag in space or divide. If you drag in space here, if you drag in space at the top here, you leave it and you just click on the space, and you can decide how you want to space this text. So you can space it 50, 100, but we don't need that. So to remove this space, all you just need to do, click on this icon here. So once you click on that, it will ask you, do you want to delete it? So all you just need to do is to delete it because you don't want it. So just click on that and delete that, and click on save again, save changes. So once you have saved that is how you can add multiple things on your website. So you can see now that our website is looking a little bit now beautiful, not little, but it's looking beautiful right now because I'm just trying to do this very simple method for you guys. So that is how you can do this. And to change the background, all those things you can see here now is the background of the website. So you can see this kind of color that you see here on the here now currently right now is the background of the website, which is what we can change. So I will show you how you can do that, but let me show you how the website look now. Let us see. So as you can see guys, this is how our website look now. So it look a little bit, not a little, look beautiful now, and it look very simple. So this is not kind of a complicated website. You see what we design, you add the image, you make it look like you are talking about something, and yeah. So that is how you can do all those things. Let me say you want to add a button to your website, how you can do that. Let me show you how you can add a button before I show you other things you need to know before we end this video. Page be down the home page of your website. Let me say you want to add a button to this section here. You want to say you want to like make people to take action. So you can say okay, you can see, just click on this icon here. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this section here. You just need to drag button, put the button below. Let me say you want it to be at the top there. Just put the button there, and you can see this is the button now. If you want the button to be at the left, at the middle, you can just click on middle. The button will go to the middle at the left, or you want it at the side, middle, side. If you want it to be like, oh, you want it to cover all the content, but we don't need that. We just need it to be at the left here, or you can decide to put it at the middle, and you can put icon on it if you want to do that, but you need Elementor Pro for that. And yeah, so what you can do now is to change the, you can see say click now, how to change the text on it. You can just click, you can see on this session, you can see type default, and you can see at the bottom you see click here. What we can do is to remove that click here. We can say start now. You can just say start now and something like that. Sorry about that. You can just say start now. So we can just say something very simple, start now, and we can enter a link here. Let me say the link of our website. We can just copy the link of our website URL here and copy, and we can paste it here. So once you paste it here now, you can click on this section so that it will open a new window. You can set it as when they click on that link, it will open in a new window. So you can see that it's showing green. So how can we make it to be showing blue? So what you can do is to come to this section that says style, and under style, once you click on style here, so you can see the content of the of the button is showing start now, which is white, is okay. And we want to make sure that the head over color is going to be let me say light blue. Let me say this. Sorry about that. That is the test, not the. That is the test. I'm going to make that white. The content test is going to be white, and the background color we are going to make that blue. So we're just going to make it this blue, and you can see the way it look now. It look beautiful, and the border round, we can decide to make that to look a little bit different. So we can just do something very, very beautiful to make it look like circle, so that it will look interesting. So yeah, we can make it like 24 or 25. So I think it's good on 25. So to do that, you can see a radius. Border radius, you can see here. Border radius, you can see that here. And all you just need to make it 25. It depends on you how you want to make it to look. And you can leave the borders, you can put it as solid, and it will look very, very beautiful like this. And as you can see, when it's solid, it look like something you can see here. So you can click on save. You can click on save if you have if you have set that. And if you head over to the content here, you can see if you click on head over here, you can click on the color. For the head over color, you can do that like something yeah. And if you want animation to be popping up like grow, you want it to be growing big, so when you try to click it, you will see it will grow big. So that is how you can do that. You know now a trick on what you can do. So that is how you can do all those type of things. So let me say this content that you can see at the bottom here, if you want it to be pumping up, if you want this content to be pumping up, how you can do that? You can just click on this content here, and you can just click on style. Once you click on style, normally is an advanced, sorry, is an advanced. Click on advanced, and you will click on this section that say transform. This section that say transform. When you click on this section here you can do many things. You can like do some effort on your on these articles, so this content that you can see here. So to do that, you can just click on this, and you can make it to rotate like 360. If you turn it on, you can see the way it is looking now. So this is how you see like people are doing when they create their website. It looks something like this. So if you want something like this, you can just make sure you turn it on. So if you don't want anything like that, just off it, and it will become normal. So you can see that you can do a lot of things on your website. If I click on this section again, and if you do anything here, you will see that the thing will change. It will change things on your website. Let me say I drag this up. You will see that it will make changes. It will drag my website to left, and if I drag this back again, it will make my website to go right, and I can decide how I want it to be. So I just want to make it 0 because I don't want to do anything there. So that is how you can do all those fonts on your website. I'm just showing you how you can really play around your website. So if you click on scaling, you can decide how you want to scale your content. You can make it to become little, you can bring it out, or you can make it to become big. It just depends on you. So you can do all those things on your website with Elementor. That is a lot of things that you need to know about this um, page builder Elementor. So you can do some kind of this queue. You can see what you can do on your website. Like you can really design your website and do it exactly to how you want it to be. But I'm going to leave everything zero because I don't need all those things. But I'm just showing you things that you need to know and what you can do on your website. So you can see that your website, you can flip your website up and down. So you can see that you can flip your website left, you can flip it right, you can flip your website up and down. So it just depends on how you really want to do this. So yeah, that is the things I want to talk about. But you don't need all those things. If you really need it, you can do it, and you know how to, you can do that. So that is the effect that you can do on your website. And if you want to change the background, the borders, all those things, you just need to do all those things here. So there's a lot of things you need to learn on Elementor Pro, Elementor. Even if it's the free version or the Pro, there's a lot of things you need to learn. So I hope you are getting value of this video. If you are getting value, please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can do all those things in other pages of your website, like about, contact us page. You can do anything. You can really play around your website by just following this step-by-step guide. So you can add anything, add any pages. You can design your website just like as you want it to look like when you are using this page builder. So it's very, very cool. There's a lot of cool things that you can really find on this page builder, which is called Elementor. So if I click on save now, and let us go and see our website and see again how it look. And it look very, very beautiful. I'm happy with this website. It's not really not good but beautiful, I would just say beautiful because it's really, really cool. So if I refresh that page, so it's refreshing now. We are just going to wait for everything to refresh properly, and it's going to open. So it's opening now. So you can see now that this is how our website look, and this is our button. So you can see when we try to click on the button, it's like it's growing. Oh, you see, because we added that animation. So if you try to click on it, it's growing, like it will grow up. Once we click on it, it will open what we want to do. So that is how you can do this type of things on your website. So we have almost come to the end of this website. Let me look and see what I will show you again before I end this video. Guys, once you're on your dashboard here, you need to click on customize. So what we are going to do, you see that our website is showing the background is not showing white, so we need to make sure the background is showing white. So to fix this situation, what we need to do here now is to click on this customize section. So click on it if you have not. So when you click on this section, it will take you to the customizing section where you find all the tabs and areas of your website, and that is where we are going to click on typography to change the site background color. So that is where we are going to do that. So we are just going to go to that session now. We are just going to wait for everything to load properly, and I will show you how you can do that. You can see once it's open, you need to click on this section that says global. Click on global here, and you need to click on typography. You see typography at the top here. You see typography, colors, and containers and buttons. If you click on colors here, it will take you to colors tab where you have to select the color you want for the background of, you can see here it says site background. You can just click this section here, and you can see that the site background now it changed to black. So to really do something about this, you can see this is, it's not black really, it's just that I turned the site mode to mobile. That is why you can see the way it look. This is how your website will look on mobile. You can really customize this to make it look exactly to what you want on mobile. That is why you need to check this. And yeah, so if I click it back again, this is the mobile version of the website, which is not really cool. We need to touch this, which is what I will touch at the end of this video. I will do that. Don't worry about this. I will just show you how you can do that. But before I show you that, it will be at the end of the video. And to change the background, make sure the side background is showing black, showing white. We need to select this section here. and click that session and scroll down. Just scroll down, and if you come to this section here, you can see that the website is changing kind of to red, and which is the side background is now red. So it's not what we want. We need something white, so we just need to click on the white search bar here, and after you click on white, then you click on the publish. And yeah, as we speak now, I think your website will become white, and you can do the content background. If you want to do that again, you can just click here again, and you can turn the content background to the type of color you really want, and you can do it again. Let me say something like white. If you want, you can just click on that, and the content background will become white if you want. That really depends on you, and if you are okay with that, you can just click on done here, and yeah, but I don't think you should make the content background white, because some of the content are white, so it will not be good that the content background can be white. So you can just leave it optional. You can just click on that and make it to be optional, and click on this section here. If you click on this icon, it will make it to become like the way it is when you saw it, so there's nothing that will be there. So just make it 0, or you can just make the the color code 00. You can just remove everything and make the color code 00. So that is how you can change that. So let us go back again. Let us go back. Okay, if we click on back here, and if you click on typography now, let us click on typography to see what is going to happen there. You can still do some changes there too. Click on typography and wait for it to open properly. Bring it back to desktop mode. Remove this and bring it back to desktop mode. So guys, the mobile version of the website, so you can just scroll down a little bit and to just see how it look now. So if you are okay with that, you can see this mobile and computer icon. Click on it. Is this little icon. So when you click on it, if you click on tablet here, it will show you how the website will look on tablet, which is what you need to fix if you want to make sure you fix this problem on your website. So you can see the way it's displaying, which is not good. And on your smartphone, if you click on my smartphone here, you can see the way it look on your smartphone. It look a little bit like up and down. It's like it's falling apart. So we just need to fix that. So to fix that, what we need to do is to drag this down from up to down. We just need to drag this down, drag it down a little bit. You see this column here, you need to tap on it, tap on this column and drag it down. Tap on the column here. So you need to drag it down. So what you can do to what I did here is that I try to drag this down and it's going up and down. So what I did, I just need to click on advanced. So when I click on advanced, I just need to come to padding you can see margin. You click on the margin and you can drag it down. You can see the margin is going below. So what we need to reduce the margin to 2 or 0. We can make it like something like a half, like 2 like this. I think it's okay like this. So once you are okay with that, you click on save. So that is how you can fix a situation like this, where you see that the website is kind of like falling on each other. So you need to make sure you fix that problem. So that is how you can fix this problem on your smartphone. So if we click back again on our computer now, you can see that the content is still looking the same. There is no like things falling on each other. But if you click on your smartphone, which is where where a lot of traffic is going to be coming from, as you can see now, our website is looking good. So let us view it on mobile version. So you can see on mobile version, this is how it looks. If they click on this icon here, this will display, and it's because we are logged in. That is why you can see all those things displaying at the top here. But if you don't want all those things to display, you can still do all those things. But it's because we are logged into our account. But if we have not logged in, you will not find all those things. It's because I'm a user, that is why you can see all those information you can see. But if I'm not a user, you can see it will show only about, it will only show home, about, and contact us. That is what you will see. It's because I'm logging into my profile. So yeah, that is why you can see all those things. And as you can see, this is how the website look on mobile, and this is how it look on your computer. So I think it look very beautiful, and is yeah, I like the website, and I hope that you too will like it. And yeah, so that is things I need to talk about on this part. And if we now go to how we can yeah, I've already set it up for you, and on tablet too. So yeah, we didn't do tablet. Click on tablet session here, and on tablet you can see that it's falling apart on tablet too. So what you can do is just the same thing too. Click on the content. Once you click on the content, you can bring it down. You can see on tablet it's like, on tablet is 15. We need to reduce it down to uh let me see. On tablet we can reduce it to 0, and we can make the content a little bit, like we can make the content more lighting, or we can reduce the weight of the content. So to do that, click on style, and you need to click on typography. So when you click on typography, you need to click on this section that say family fonts. We need to look for poppins. So poppins is at the bottom, and it's capitalized content. We need to click here and make it default. And what we can do here again, we can reduce the weight of the content. We can reduce the size of the content here. We can reduce it to something like this. So we can reduce it to something like this, which is what you can see here. So we make it 52, which is the size of the content. So this is how it will look on tablet, which is not bad, it's cool. And we can center all those things, make it to become, we can center them to middle, like this header here. We can just come this to the content area here. We can make it to become middle, and we can take this one again and take it to middle too. The coding, we can do that. Just click on center and click on this one too, and make sure it's centered, and click on centered. And yeah, so I think everything is fine now. And what you can do again, you can see the image is showing somehow here. What you can do here, you can click on this section here, and you can remove this image and add another image, like a big image that will occupy all the whole places here. So all you can do here now, you can add a background, like you can click here, click this section here. So once you click on this section, you can add the image here, which is the image you can see on the screen here. So if I click on that section now, I click on free image, or you will find the image here too. So just click on it and insert it. And as you can see, the image have covered everywhere, which is now looking good. And we don't need to worry about this image here. So everything is now okay. We don't need to worry about any of those areas again. So all we just need to do now is to click on update and save. So let's just check everything on computer. Let us look how it look on computer. So on computer is fine, and good. On smartphone, let us see on smartphone. On smartphone too is fine and good. So as you can see, everything is okay now. We have the mobile version of the website, and the tablet, and the desktop or computer created. So we have everything. So I automate everything to look mobile friendly, computer friendly, and tablet friendly. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So I showed you how you can change the background, and every section of how you can create your website. I hope that you find this video interesting. So if you find it interesting, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how you can create a pro website where you can create like a search bar and you can create a mega menu. Mega menu is what you can see on my main website. If you go to www.joggers.com, this is a mega menu. Let me show you for example a mega menu. What mega menu look like? Let me show you. So this is my website, and as you can see, this is a mega menu, which is what I created. It's not really like if this is how I want my website to look. That is how I did it. So if you want to create this type of mega menu with Elementor Pro, you need to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and if I see your comment, I will make sure I make the video and I will send the link to you under that comment section. So just leave me a comment and I will head back to you if I see your comment under below this video. So yeah, that is everything I need to talk about on this, how you can create your website from scratch. So let us see how our website look now. Finally, let us see how our website look. We see how our website look. You know, I told you about changing of your website background color. So if I click on global now, I click on colors. So on this section here, this section will allow you to change your website background and how you want it to look. Let me go back. I will click on global. I will click on colors. When I click on colors, this is where you can change your website link, the theme of your website, the link color of your website, which is what you can see, which is blue, and you can see the link head over and the header color and header color 1 to 6 and the text color, and you can scroll down again. You can see the site background and you can see the content background. So you can change all those colors here. All you just need to do, click on any one of them and they will pop up. So once they pop up, you can select any of the color that you like and you click on publish here and it will be saved on your website. So that is how you can do that, and that is the end of this video. So let me show you, let us see how our website look after we have done this that you can see on the screen. Let us see now how our website look. So guys, this is the website we created. As you can see, you remember we created our logo and we added the home page, the home, about, contact us, register and login. So we did all those things and this is how our website look now. Wow, the website really look beautiful, and you can see at the bottom the privacy policy and the terms of use is displaying at the bottom of the website. If anyone click on it, they can read about our privacy policy, and at the top here, if anyone click on about, they can read about us. So it's just that simple. So you know how you can create your website from start to finish, add anything you want, make it to look exactly to what you want. So if you find it interesting, don't forget again, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that will really help me to make more video and more great content like this. So I want you to keep on watching my videos because more content is coming your way. So this is my website, my main website, which is www.joggers.com, which this is my website, which is www.joggers.com. I talk about how you can make money and passive income and talk about other things on this my website. So you can turn off the notification on this my website so that you get more notification and more content and more great things, more good news that will be coming your way that you can use to make free money online. Don't forget again, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, see you soon on my next video, a way on how you can create your website or make money online. I will see you on my next video. Peace out.